Okay, three, two, one, and we are live. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the live session of Free DevOps in Cloud, basically Azure Bootcamp 5. I hope you all are able to see me and hear me. Yes, give me a yes. I am able to see you all. I'm able to see your chat also. Live has started. Yes, hello. Finally. Yes, 185 plus people are here with us. I'm not sure how many people are there on LinkedIn. Yes, live has been started. How are you all? Are you all doing good? Yes, refresh the screen. Everyone, guys, refresh your screen and the live has started. Everyone doing good. Okay, that's great. That's great. Amazing. Paras, yes, I know, like everyone, I have seen your names. I see Lingaraj is there, Omkar. All good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Okay, now tell me one thing. This is weekend, right? Now tell me one thing. From where you are connected with this live? From which country, which state, or which place are you sitting right now? Can you all tell me? Like, what is your place right now from where you are watching me live, right? Rohtak, Haryana. Yes, Pune, Haryana. And what about people on LinkedIn? Let's see what's their status. How many people are there with us? Okay, 119 people are there, 120 people on LinkedIn. That's nice. Bangalore, Andhra Pradesh, Chennai, Punjab, Goa, Mumbai. Right? What about people on LinkedIn? Madurai, Bihar. Nice, yeah, from all over the India. What about people on other countries? Egypt. Nice, Ahmed. USA. Okay, North Korea. Nice. Germany, I am Maridasu. Oh, okay, nice. Karnataka, Bangalore, Germany. Nice to see you all. You are from various places in traffic on the way to railway station. Saranya, nice. Hyderabad, Jharkhand, United Kingdom. Okay, our students are from all over the world. That's great. So all of you have your pen and notebook with you. So let's start the class. Will not waste much time, and I will be setting the agenda for today's class. Let's go and check what you have for today's class, right? Then immediately we will be going ahead with your data. Okay, so let me put this as an agenda. Very good class, by the way, a kickstarter for your journey of DevOps into Azure, right? And one of the best sessions, I would say, you have grabbed the opportunity. So I have my pen tab with me. I hope you all have your pen tab with you, or at least a pen and a notebook with you, right? And always have your water bottle, because this is a 2 hours long session, and we will be extending a little bit also if needed. So I have my pen, I have my tab, and yes, let's get started. I'll be setting the agenda for you all. So all of you, wherever you are, from whichever the place you are watching me, warm welcome to our channel. So we always do various kinds of boot camps. If you have not seen the previous boot camps, the free 4 boot camps which I have run on the YouTube, 4 free boot camps we have done on the YouTube already. You can all watch all those boot camps. Basically, those 4 boot camps were on Azure plus DevOps. So this boot camp is very much different for everyone. This fifth boot camp 5 for everyone is purely based on Azure, guys. Okay, so you will be learning various kinds of things which I have told you. And today, by 9 p.m., right after the session, I'll be rolling out the topic wise document to everyone, right? Because this is the first class. You all are very much excited to know what are the topics we are covering. If you have missed the Wednesday class, that's completely fine. So Azure plus DevOps will be going into deep dive. And yes, every week 1, week 2, week 3, and week 4, you will be having different kinds of projects at different kinds of layers. And before the start of this video, right, I want everyone to give a like on the video. If you are liking the Josh, if you are liking the way I'm explaining the things, yet we have so many things to cover in the next 2 hours. But yes, if you are very new to the channel, I want everyone to subscribe, like, and share the channel link with your friends, so that we reach to the 40,000 subscribers soon, right? So the target for this bootcamp is 40,000 subscribers. If you are helping me to get that, I will be helping you more, right? So let's keep the agenda quickly. So guys, today's session is all about DevSecOps pipelines, guys. Okay, so till now in my channel I have covered DevOps pipelines. So today we will be focusing on security part of DevOps. Clear, everyone? So I'll be taking you various kinds of security tools which I have been using in the previous organization. Let's take Walmart, let's take Verizon, let's take all other previous organizations, whichever I have using. I'll be explaining all those tools, and definitely these tools you can keep directly in your resume. Right? Clear, everyone? Yes, I'm shouting, guys. I think the volume is the volume is a little bit from your end issue. Okay. And one more thing, guys. Please increase the streaming quality from your end. You have to click on the settings of YouTube video, and there will be 720p. You can keep on the 720p. Clear? Right. Shall we start with our first class, with our first slide of today's class? Yes. Give me a yes quickly, people on LinkedIn, people on YouTube, and people on Twitter also. Twitter also, people are watching us. So definitely this is going to be a rocking performance for all of us, like rocking content, I would say. Right? Nevertheless, definitely these all documents will be rolled out to you, so you don't need to worry about the documents or about how we are going to learn. So all those things you don't need to worry. You just need to worry about how I'm getting a job after this class, right? So that is only the agenda which you have to set, right? Apart from that, rest all things you leave on me. What we are going to learn, what we are going to teach, what are you getting in this free boot camp, right? Everything I'm going to roll out. So let me share my screen. The doc is ready with me, and yes, all the documents will be sent to you, right? And don't leave the class, because if you are leaving the class, you will be missing tomorrow's project, which is purely based on today's project, right? Clear, everyone? Right. So let me present my screen, right? Great. Okay. So let me present my entire screen to you all, right? Yes. So guys, this is our free Azure DevOps Bootcamp 5. And as everyone is telling, right, we will be covering in this class the Bootcamp 5, very much important and very, very much knowledgeable also this bootcamp is. Right now, one more thing, right? Okay, why it is? Okay, 1 second, let me get the things for you. Okay, okay, earlier I was able to use. Okay, that's fine. I will be highlighting like this. All of you are able to see my screen with the document? Yes? Clear, everyone? Great. As your knowledge, no prerequisites are needed. This is beginner friendly, guys. So let me put like this. Again, I am telling no prerequisites are needed, because we will be covering prerequisites. Okay. No prerequisites. My spellings, my headings, my assumptions, you can take it as true, right? And also one more thing, whatever theory you are going to see today, the same content you will be going to see tomorrow, the project section. Okay. So don't leave the class. And one more thing, we are starting our class right now. So the first slide which I'm going to show you, guys, all of you see here, the first slide. What are you seeing? This is free 30 days DevOps plus Azure Bootcamp 5 by Praveen Sangampalli. I'm the founder of HeyDevops brand, okay, where we teach DevOps and various kinds of other stuff. And my LinkedIn ID, if you don't know me, what I am doing, which companies I have worked, how many companies I have cracked, everything is there on my LinkedIn. Praveen-Sangampalli is my ID. You can search on LinkedIn. So those who don't need me, just 1 minute of introduction, because this is the first class. You should know from whom you are getting the knowledge, right? So I'm Praveen. I have cracked almost 35 product plus service companies, and I have cracked Amazon, Walmart, SAP, Informatica, Airtel, Paytm, your Rubrik, Zeta, Simpress, Nest, few service-based companies, and obviously like your Microsoft, I have cracked last year, right? And a few other companies are there. I'm not remembering names, but yeah, almost all the good companies I have cracked. Okay, and all the letters are with me, right? And all the knowledge whichever I have, I'm sharing with you all. Yes, Adobe also have cracked site reliability engineer role, right? So all those companies I have cracked, and you can watch my interview playlist in the playlist section. All the Amazon, Paytm, what you call like Google, all those interview questions I have given there. Okay, and you can connect with me on Instagram. And those who have joined the basically the community, right? Basically, this is not the community for everyone. Those who have joined the Telegram group, they will be having the documents. The link will be in the descriptions. Okay. Now tell me one thing, everyone. Now tell me one thing. If you are able to see, there is a developer, there is a DevOps engineer, there is a system admin, there is an IT manager, there is a site reliability engineer, there is a DevSecOps director, and other roles, right? Now, all of you tell me which role you are falling down as of now in today's time. Okay, all of you tell me whether you are a developer, whether you are a DevOps engineer, system admin, IT manager, SRE, DevSecOps director, or what is your position. All of you keep your positions in the chat. All of you, all of you keep your positions. DevOps Venkata, right? What about anyone here, DevSecOps, who is working on security related things of the pipelines? DevOps engineers, IT manager. Okay, Radhika, IT manager, trying as a DevOps guy. Good. Developer, full stack engineer, tester, nothing. No worries. Telegram link I'll be rolling down. No, don't worry. Okay, project engineer. Okay, senior software consultant, DevOps. Nice, Prince. DevOps engineer, right? DevOps engineer, AVD admin, fresher, non-IT supply chain, right? Yes. Okay, nice, nice. Palo Alto firewall engineer, Sukrit. Senior administration, DevOps. Okay, 300 plus people are watching, and altogether almost 500 plus people are there with us, right? Okay, so let's start. What is there? Why I am showing these things to you guys? Okay, why I am showing this thing? So basically, the first important thing which everyone should know is we are going to target specifically after this course this site reliability engineer role, this DevSecOps role, this DevOps engineer role, and obviously we'll be targeting some things on the system admin. And if you are an IT manager, I'll be helping you on traveling with you towards the journey of your IT manager. It means DevOps manager. Okay, so I hope with the first slide you all are clear. This is just the trailer of with whom you are learning today and what we are going to do. Now, setting up the agenda, right? We will be going one by one on various kinds of pipelines, and whatever the organizations have worked, I'll be starting with the basic pipeline. Then we will be watching your advanced pipelines. Then we will be watching your DevSecOps pipeline. We'll be watching various kinds of tools which are there on the security things, and we'll be watching little bit on the advanced level of scripting side, little bit on the Jenkins files, Jenkins pipelines, and little bit on the other stuff, right? So let me start with this basic knowledge, guys. We'll be talking very basics here. Now tell me one thing. When you are telling about CICD, right, there is a flow which you tell like continuous integration, right, and continuous deployment, right? So what does this mean? Let me tell you, when I started my IT career in the year, let's take 2015 and 2016. Let's think like this, okay? So at that time, the DevOps was not there, guys. The DevOps was not there. Clear, everyone? The DevOps was totally out, okay? And in the year 2015-16, we were slowly started learning DevOps, okay? And in the previous times, you will come to know that we were having on-premise server. Let's take, this is your company, okay? All of you see here, this is your company, okay? This is your company, and in the company, let's take, you have 3 servers, okay? Now, all of you need to understand, in the servers means I will have dev server, QA server, testing, I would like to say like here, staging server, right, and production server. Now tell me one thing, how many spaces are you able to see here? Space number 1, space number 2, space number 3, and space number 4. Tell me, when we were not having any cloud, let's think like this, 2013 to 2016, right, the cloud was just coming into picture, and every company was trying to migrate themselves onto the cloud. Yes or no? How many of you experienced this? If you are a experienced, if you say like, let's take like you are a 5 years experienced or 7 years experienced, right? So you would like to see like, okay, very much at those point of times, the people were only using cloud, right? And now you see, whatever you are seeing like dev, QA, stage, production, these all are big servers, guys. You cannot imagine also, these all are big servers on-prem, okay, on premise. Now what has happened is as the technology started evolving, as the people started learning about cloud, as the people started learning about DevOps, all the people started migrating to cloud. And in cloud, people started taking the virtual things, guys. Okay. Virtual environments. Now, this is on prem, which is physical environments. Okay. Clear, everyone? This is physical environments. And slowly, as the technology was getting high, right, slowly we came into cloud, where we call like virtual environments, guys. So what companies are doing, let's think like this small example. Let's think like XYZ company is there, and the company wanted to have its own cloud, right? So what it is doing, it is just creating a physical, okay, it's just creating a virtual environment, and it is taking some imaginary space. Okay, you can consider this big balloon as an imaginary space, and inside that imaginary space, it is deploying its applications. Clear, everyone? Right? Very simple terms. I am starting with very basics. Now tell me one thing. You all are using e-commerce applications, and today's world is running with the internet, with various kinds of services given to us. Let's take Uber, right? Let's take GoDaddy, right? Let's take Flipkart, right? Let's take Amazon. What are this? These are applications which are helping us to get our day-to-day tasks done, right? Let's take, you want to buy something. You obviously go to which platform? You have Uber. What is this? You have what is this? Is Flipkart. Okay, GoDaddy, right? So I will tell you the use case. And Amazon, suppose you want to buy something, on which site you will go buy something, right? Which site you will go? You will obviously go and buy here on Amazon or on Flipkart, right? Among these two, you will select. Suppose you want to travel from one place to another place, and you want a car or a bike, right? Which app you will use? Uber you will use, right? So the world has made our lives very simpler. Are you getting? Some intelligent people all over the world have made our life simpler. True? Yes or no? Yes or no? Do you agree? Swiggy in India, Rapido in India, Agio in India, right? Many other applications are there. And to be precise, all the applications are using cloud. Guys, every application in today's time is using cloud. Let me just open up the things. Now, let's think like this. Flipkart is the app, right? Now, let's think like this. What are the things you will see? A front end, a UI, right? A back end, right, which you cannot see, right? And obviously the database, correct? Now, very importantly, the backend is the heart of a application. Okay, and this is the eyes of an application, and the database is your brain. Okay, which stores everything. Clear, everyone? It processes everything, right? Processes, purifies the data, incoming data, and whatever you want, you can then send it to the brain, like that, right? The blood is flown all over our body, right? How it flows, where it flows, what it has to do. And you know what, why I given heart here is, the heart, what you think, right? The brain acts that way, right? The brain is always pumped up by heart, right? So backend is very much important. The eyes, what you see, is taken up by heart. First, your heart feels, right? When something is pinched on you, right? Your heart, your brain, every activity happens on the rapid way, right? So when you want to buy something, you open the Flipkart app, you place an order, right? And you get the order details, right? And then what happens? A delivery agent is assigned to you, right? So can we think like every service is a microservice, right? Starting from placing order, all of you see here, starting from placing order is a microservice 1, order details microservice 2, delivery agent assignee microservice 3. Can you all tell me what other microservice can be there? Can we think of like maps, right? Delivery agent has to reach our home, the address, the pin code, if you give on the Flipkart, right, 538888, it will automatically take your location, right? Yes or no? Agree? Guys, do you agree with me? Yes, payment options. Good. Payment option. I can add payment option also. What else I can add here? Can you all tell me? Microservice 4. What else I can add here, guys? What else I can add here? Yes. Profile. Yes. Anything else? Do you think? Anything else? Anything else? Do you think that, okay, I can add here? Yes. Return, refund. Good. Okay. Returns and refund, right? So tell me one thing, guys. Tell me one thing. Let's consider I have a microservice 1. Okay. Now I am going into deep. From here, I am taking you towards the entire IT structure. Okay. So first was what? I prepared my application. Okay. Now I am going into one segment of application and I am splitting the things. Are you able to understand, guys? Now in our brain, we have visualized the things. Now I am going into, like, I'm at the end, you will be very amazed to see I am taking you why DevOps is needed from this overview. Clear, everyone? Right? From here, why DevOps is needed, I am taking you. Clear? Now tell me one thing, placing order. Okay, let's consider that I am going inside the microservice called placing order. Now tell me one thing, while you place the order, right, what details you need, guys? The item details, right? The phone number, right? The pin code, right? Now what else you need? Let's think like pin code you need, phone number you need, item, the quantity, right? So think in this way. Once you have selected your item, you fill the details of your own, and then these details are saved in database. Okay. Now let's assume that on this microservice, all of you see here, initially 5 users. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 users are talking with this microservice 1 application. It means at the given point of time, 6:30 p.m. IST, only 5 people are talking with my application and they are submitting their details. Okay. And all the 5 persons details are stored in the database. Clear, everyone? Right. Now let's assume that at 6:35 p.m. okay, my 5 persons got changed into 500 people, like 100, 200, 300, 400, and 500. Now tell me, at this point of time, I had only one server handling my load. But because I had more load here, will my microservice 1 will be withstand or not withstand? Right? Microservice 1 will withstand or not withstand? What is your thought? It will not withstand the load, right? Yes or no? Guys, are you all there with me? No, it will not withstand the load, right? Now, what about people on LinkedIn? People on LinkedIn are very much silently listening all the things, right? If you give the input to me, then only I will be able to understand that, okay, people are able to understand or not. Clear, everyone? Right? Notwithstanding, right? So at this point of time, right, imagine that one more issue came, that there is a vulnerability. Okay, there is a hacker attacking our site. Okay, anyways, load is not withstanding. So first issue is load issue. Okay, the second issue is the hacker found something on my application and he is trying to hack my application and he is trying to access my 5% data. Are you all clear, guys? From where I am taking you all towards the journey of DevSecOps. Okay, DevOps plus security plus cloud. Okay, now tell me one thing. Now at 6:40 p.m. okay, one of my DevOps person, okay, is watching this thing. Okay, and he came to know that there is an issue in the application. So what he will immediately do is he will immediately add one more server, and this all tasks are manual. Okay, he will come and he will add one more server, and what will happen? Okay, what will happen? This 500 load, okay, is distributed among these servers. Okay, now let's consider one more scenario. At this point of time, This person has added the server, but what about hacker, right? He is a DevOps guy. He only knows to add one server, but he doesn't know how to take the security action because he's not a security guy. He's not a DevSecOps engineer. Are you able to understand why security is also important? Yes, everyone. Now tell me one thing. What this DevOps person will do? What this DevOps person will do? Now he doesn't know security. What he will do? Tell me. What he will do? He will reach out to security team, obviously. So tell me one thing, right? Those who are working in security now, what companies are thinking is, company are thinking like they need one person only. Why they will keep two-person? Why they want DevOps and security person both, right? They combine the both the things and they call like DevSecOps, right? So you should know security part, you should know DevOps part also. Clear, everyone? Right? Now, if you are well known with DevSecOps, you can actually remove this malicious activity from the hacker at the development stage itself. Now, how to do that? Let me tell you. Okay. Now, DevSecOps is good, but at the same time, people are looking for cloud also. So that is where the Bootcamp 5 is making you all ready for this. Clear, everyone? How was the story, the narration? Did you like the story, the narration, and at the end, the agenda of the Bootcamp 5? Did you all liked it? If you all liked it, please give a like on the video, right? The like target is 300 likes for this video, right, on the YouTube. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, right? So let's go ahead. Let's see how you can achieve this DevSecOps activities, right? How you can achieve the DevSecOps activities. Now, right now, when you are talking about pipelines, very importantly, all the pipelines which are there in this world are automated, okay, by DevOps engineers. Let's assume one more scenario here. Okay, scenario number 2. Okay, now scenario number 2 is why we need a pipeline. Why we need a pipeline? Now, in the scenario number 2, let's assume that on the first day, right, on the first day, right, your load was, let's take 300 people are watching me. Okay, are watching me. Let's assume that on the next day, automatically the load has been increased to 1,000 people. Okay, because you all will be telling to your friends that someone is teaching for free and he is giving excellent projects, right? Tomorrow you will see one of the top-notch projects where we will deploy some things on the handmade Kubernetes. Okay, so now tomorrow, let's take my load is 1,000 people, and guys, in my application there is a bug now. Okay, bug means what? You all know. Let's take this bug is causing my application to go down. Are you all clear? Right now, immediately what will happen? The DevOps engineer will see some logs, correct? And immediately, let's assume that at present your application is at version 10.1.2. And one more thing, guys, every time when we are deploying an application onto cloud, everything comes up with a version. Okay, clear, everyone? Right? Okay, when you buy a product, do you see the MRP and the barcode, right? And what does that barcode will have? Which batch number, which year it has been manufactured, and all those things. Yes, clear? Yes, that's correct, right? Right, the barcode which you have, right, and whatever you go and buy in the barcode, from where it has been prepared, what is the manufacturing date, all the things will be there, right? And the similar way, right, every time when an application is deployed, it means it is serving the customers. Okay, every time there is a version. Clear, everyone? Now imagine that at 6:50 p.m. IST, I got a bug. Okay, it means my application is down now. Okay, and escalations are coming, like escalations, red escalations. Okay, escalations are coming. Everything is on fire. Okay, everything was on fire. Your manager, your team lead, you yourself, everyone are sitting and banging your head like, what is the issue on the server? Now immediately tell me one thing, and you found out that there is a development issue. Okay, like one of the developer has pushed the wrong code. Okay, correct. We all do copy pasting from the Google. How many of you do copy pasting from this? Everyone does. I do copy pasting. All of you do copy pasting, right? We all find the way to do the Google. We copy the code and we place it and we adjust the code according to ourselves, right? Yes or no? All will do copy pasting, right? Are you all? No, everyone do. Comment, guys, please. I want to hear from you all. We all do copy pasting, right? What about people on LinkedIn? Very much silent. Again, I am telling, if you are showing the Josh till the end of the class, I will be giving you my 200%, guys. Okay. Yes, new ones, completely new ones. Yes, we all do this, right? Yes, Saida, thanks a lot. Okay. Yes, we all do, right? Great, right? So tell me, when we are doing some things, right, your developer has copy pasted some wrong code. Because of that, there is an issue. Now immediately you called the developer, and the developer joins the escalation bridge. Okay, escalation bridge means escalation meeting. Okay, where he is telling that, okay, I will resolve this issue in 15 minutes, guys. Okay, now tell me one thing, while he is preparing his code. Okay, now here there are two scenarios. Okay, with automation and without automation and with automation. Okay, now tell me one thing, without automation, what that guy will do is he will push his changes to the repository, and in the local, right, he will create a file, and the DevOps person will take that file and deploy on the on-premise server. Okay, this is one setup. Okay, when there is an automation, immediately this code, right, which is pushed to the GitHub which I will be talking in a little bit of time, repository, immediately the CI/CD pipeline will trigger. Now tell me one thing, in this step, did anyone validated about security checks? Okay, without automation, guys, in this step, did anyone validated security checks? No security checks. Did anyone created versions? No versions of the code. Did anyone checked on the libraries inside the code if anything is malicious? No one has checked. Did anyone checked, right, what did anyone try to store the files which were generated? No. Did anyone try to deploy on cloud here? No one has done. But when the automation is there, right, this is the CI/CD Jenkins, which does all the things. Security check, okay, Jenkins will do. Okay, Jenkins with other tools which we'll be discussing. Created version, creating versions it will do, right? Malicious activity it will filter out. Files it will upload, deploy on cloud. Now, are you understanding what's the major difference? Now, how I have taken you from a beautiful journey in the 10 minutes. How was this journey, guys? All right. Are you understanding? Now, that is where we are today targeting DevSecOps pipelines. Are you all clear? Yes or no? Now tell me, are you all clear what is there, how we are going to achieve our DevSecOps pipeline, right? Give me a smiley now. 330, I mean almost 450 people are watching us. I want smileys now. Now what smileys you put, that's up to you. You can bombard with your smileys. Now put any smileys, like any symbol. Yes, come on. Now I'll be flashing your smileys so that this 2 hours your Josh is not reduced. At the same time, my Josh is also not reduced. Okay, let's play this smiley game. I always make this, right? Okay, clear? Only smiley. You can put anything. Like there are many things, right? There are many things on the. Yes, Deepak. Yes, a salute to you. Atanu Biswas, Run with Ranjan, Vigneshwar, right? Only smileys means not only smileys, guys. See, there are many things on the chat. Just explore. Okay. Yes, some bread bun, crystal clear. Okay, okay, okay. Only these things. You all are very slow. What about people on LinkedIn? Sudhakar, great. Okay, right? Right. So let's assume that now you all are good, right? Now I got my energy. Okay, with your smileys, I got my energy. Okay. Now let's go ahead and see the DevSecOps pipeline, how it will be. Like initially, you see, guys, all of you see here, this is the generic CI/CD pipeline. Okay. Now in this generic CI/CD pipeline, someone is committing, someone is pushing the changes. Immediately, the Jenkins will get trigger, right? It will notify the build output, run tests, notify the outcome, deliver build to staging, and deploy to production. Okay. This is just a simple pipeline where what we are doing, simple pipeline. Okay, we will talk about simple pipeline where there are no security checks, nothing. Okay, in the simple pipeline, what it will do, this is a pipeline, a train. Okay, and immediately when the user is just pushing the code to the repository, immediately the pipeline trigger will happen, and immediately each stage by stage the pipeline code is gone, is made to go through, right? The code is made to go through, and ultimately without the security checks, the code is deployed onto production. Clear? Right? There are many kinds of things. So simple pipeline. Clear? Now what are the tools? I'll be discussing in a little bit of time. Clear? Are you all clear with the CI/CD basic pipeline where you will just do the deployment? You will not check on the security things. Yes? Clear? Great. Okay. Right. Right. Now, all of you see here, when we are talking for the next pipeline, now all of you see here, this is CI/CD feedback based pipeline. Now, I am telling you the different types of pipelines which you can create in your organization. Are you all clear? Yes or no? Right? Right. Now, all of you see here, when you want to achieve a feedback based pipeline, right? Let's assume that you have various kinds of feedback. Let's think like this. Okay, all of you see here, when you are doing a code check-in, right, there is a feedback, right? There is a continuous feedback, right? Continuous feedback. And when someone is approving, there is a feedback. When someone is approving, when there is a release of the versions, there is a feedback. Now what is this feedback all about? Now tell me one thing, a scenario I am telling, how in real time this feedback CI/CD pipeline will help us. Clear? Now in real time, I will tell you in organizations how we follow. Now you only tell me whether that is true or not. Okay. Okay. Okay, all of you see here, stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4, stage 5, stage 6. Okay, now in the first stage there are some checks. Okay. Okay, stage 2 is build. Okay, stage 3 is, let's take test cases. Stage 4 is send to repo. Okay, stage 5 is Ansible. Okay, tool wise. Okay, stage 6 is deployment. Now tell me one thing. Okay, at every stage, do we need to know that whether the pipeline is failed or passed? How many of you say that I, as a DevOps engineer, would like to send an email notification to all my development team and my DevOps team? How many of you say? Let's take like this. Here the pipeline got broke. Okay. Do you want to send the feedback? Yes or no? Right? We as a DevOps engineer, we want to send the feedback. Yes. That is simple, right? At any point of time. Now let's imagine that, guys, once the code, the 100 GB code is converted into a 10 MB code, right? And the 10 MB code is placed in a place. Okay. Usually in the organization, we place it in JFrog, which you all will be seeing in the coming classes. Okay. Now in the 10 MB file, assume that, okay, tell me one thing, very simple. When you are uploading your Aadhaar in the portal, right? In some portal, will you get an email stating that you have validated your Aadhaar card or something? We usually get, right? Yes, we usually get when you upload some documents on your study portal, freshers basically, you get an acknowledgement, right? So that is your feedback based pipeline. At every step, I want to send the feedback to my users stating that everything is good, everything is good. And tell me one thing, once the deployment is done, okay, do I need to have an email in the green color, right? In the green color, right? With the success message stating all my DevOps and development team stating that, hey, your application has been successfully deployed on cloud, on cloud with version, with version, and right, Praveen has triggered this pipeline. Yes or no? Do you need this? Who has triggered this pipeline and what version? Yes or no, guys? We need this, right? Right? We always need this, because what happens? Suppose there is a bug in the pipeline, there is an issue in the pipeline. Whom the team will come and ask? The person who has triggered only, right? You suppose Ramya is there, Aditya is there, Harish is there in the class. Suppose there is an issue in the code or production is failing. To whom you will approach? You will approach to me only, right? Because I triggered the pipeline. Correct? That is the reason whenever you are a DevOps engineer, very importantly, you need to know that you are at a risk. Okay? Risk is more, package is more. Clear, everyone? Right? When you are deploying, when you are touching a button, the risk is 100% there. Okay? So always you have to make sure, double check your data and then only work on that. Clear, everyone? Risk is more, package is more. Right? With that, smile is coming to everyone, right? Risk is more, package is more. Smile is coming? Yes? Yes, no? No smile is coming. Package? You don't need package? Guys, you need, we all are working for packages, right? We need a good package, right, Sujata? Yes? Great. Risk more, reward more, right? So let's see, when you're talking about the feedback based pipeline, that is what I meant. Every time you need to automate your pipeline in such a way that it's little bit on a human brain. Like anything is failing, you send an email. Anything is not working, you send an email. Anything deployment issue, you send an email. Clear, everyone? Shall we go to the next pipeline? CICD, threat model based pipeline, guys. Okay. Now tell me one thing, when I'm talking about threat, okay, what does this mean? Any kind of issues in our environment. Yes or no? Any kind of issues in our environment, right? Now I am introducing you all different kinds of pipelines. Now at the end of the class, you tell me which is the best pipeline. Clear, everyone? And we will see slowly some of the beautiful things coming forward. Are you all preparing the notes, guys? How many of you are preparing the notes? How many are you preparing the notes, by the way? Yes. Are you all preparing the notes? Great. Okay. Now, thread model based pipeline is your DevSecOps pipeline. Okay. When you are seeing here this 8 model structure, right? At every point of time, you see thread based model we will be watching. Okay. Now you see here, when I'm talking about thread, okay. Now, code is there. Okay. Build is there, test is there, release is there, plan is there, monitor is there, operate is there, deploy is there. Okay. Now assume that in the thread based pipeline, okay, you integrate your pipeline with various security tools. Are you all clear? Now in the thread based pipeline, what we are trying to do is we integrate as many security tools as we want, right? And today I am going to show you what are the various kinds of tools you can integrate. Tools you can integrate with Jenkins. Okay. And tomorrow we will be seeing the hands-on. And why it is important is you scan your code, right? You scan your code with the help of tools. Okay. And you find bugs, you find vulnerabilities. Okay, spelling might be wrong. You find issues in the code. You find duplicate lines in the code. Okay, you find malicious code. And tell me one thing. Okay, the human body needs food, water, air, fire, right? Clothing, shelter, everything, right? Similarly, whenever you develop a code, okay, the code needs dependencies. Okay, dependency is nothing but it will help your code to up and run. Clear? What are these things doing? Are they making us up and run? Are they giving us energy to do the daily tasks? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Yes, obviously, right? Correct. Now tell me one thing. Now, whatever you are seeing on this screen, right? The dependencies are also importantly to be scanned, okay, with some tools. Okay. Now tell me one thing here. How many how many black letters are outside the 8 symbol? Can you all count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, clear? In the threat model policies, okay, in the threat model based pipeline, you do the static analysis, you do the code review, penetration testing, compliance validation, recover, response, detect, monitor, threat intelligence, audit, and logs. Okay, clear everyone? Now, for every black letter here, there is a tool. How many of you know this? For every black letter, audit, log, threat model, static analysis, code review, penetration testing, compliance validation, recover, response, detect, monitor, threat intelligence. Now tell me, honestly, you tell me, how many of you know that for each of that, whichever I have spoken, you see a tool? How many of you know? Genuinely, you tell. You know or not know? Tell me. How many? Paras Dua. Only SonarQube. Yes. Most of you are only know SonarQube. I know. Know some of the tools? Don't know. What about people on LinkedIn? Quickly. No. You don't know. 50% no. Yes, you know. No idea. 45. Right, Sujata? Yes. How Sujata knows? I know. A little no. First time for logus. First time listening to. Okay. No, only sometime. Prometheus, no. Right, you all don't know, right? So today we will be talking all the things, okay? Whatever you are seeing on this page, okay? So, okay, don't go with this slide. Let me go with this slide, okay? Now, all of you see here, security tools on stack, okay? Now, before this, let me tell you one simple pipeline which we are going to do tomorrow hands-on, okay? Now, all of you open your notebook. Tomorrow's pipeline view I am creating, just see here. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to use GitHub as tool. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to use Maven. Tomorrow we are going to use SonarQube. Tomorrow we are going to use JFrog. Tomorrow we are going to use Trivi. Tomorrow we are going to use what else is there? Tomorrow we are going to use some coding. Okay. Little bit on coding side also we will see. Maven, SonarQube, Jenkins. Okay. And what else? Ansible. Little bit we will touch on Ansible. And we will create the Kubernetes from scratch. When I tell you from scratch, it means starting from A to Z, not using any cloud component. We will be creating, like I will be showing you how the Kubernetes is helping, and then we will deploy. Obviously, we will be using Docker tomorrow and some scanning and OWASP. Guys, tomorrow I'll be introducing you a security tool. One more thing, OWASP scanning. Okay. So these all things are tomorrow's project, and much more things we will cover. This is just on a high level, right? Now, okay, great. Now, all of you see here, when I'm talking about this, security tools on stack. Okay, what are the different kinds of security tools which you can use in your organization to protect your code from being malicious? Okay, so all of you see here, when I'm talking about security tools on stack, secrets detection. Okay, You all know Git. You all know Git. Tomorrow I will be introducing you all some Git related things. Now, when you want to detect some secrets or you want to detect some issues on your code, right? You use secret detection. Now, how it works, let me tell you. Now, tell me one thing, guys. Okay. Now, very simple. I am taking, I have a file. Okay. All of you see here. I have a file. In this file, I have a username and a password. Okay. Now, tell me, if I give this username and password of a database to my friends, okay, who doesn't know what is that value of that database, what they will do? Because they know this, they will log in into the database by chance, and can they delete the data? Can they manipulate the data? Can they play with the data? Yes, it's obvious, right? Obviously. Right now, there are some free tools, there are some paid tools also. I will be telling. Okay, you don't need to work on the paid tools. Organization will take the licenses. Okay, now all of you see here. Now this file where I am storing, usually we have the code storage repository called your GitHub. Okay, now tell me one thing. When your Git is integrated or GitHub is integrated with secrets, okay, secrets manager or secrets finder, I would say. Okay, Git secrets will be detected. Now someone is uploading a password. Immediately the Git secret will notify us that you should avoid this. Like, how many of you agree? Right? I don't know how many of you have you in your organization also. Yes, correct. Yes, end to end I will be teaching tomorrow all the tools. Correct, right? Do you agree? At the first stage itself, I want to stop my passwords getting deployed. Right? All of you agree? Yes? Correct? Great. Now all of you see here, there are various kinds of tools, guys. Okay, from here little bit on the advanced level we will be talking. Now secret detection is fine. Now there are static code analysis tools. Okay, now I'll be discussing here. There are static code analysis, SAST, DAST. Okay, static code analysis, SAST and DAST. What are these? Let's see. Okay, when you are talking about static code analysis, it means that your code will not move anywhere. On a simple terms, you have your tool. Okay, you have your code, you have your tool. Okay, your code is being sent from this box. Clear, everyone? And a report is generated. Are you all clear? Right? Your code is there. Static code analysis, like static, the code is just sent over that tool. Okay, the code is just directly sent over that tool. Are you all clear? And a report is generated. Now tell me one thing. In my previous organization where I was in Verizon, we were purely using Black Duck. Okay, Black Duck. You see the name is there or not in the static code analysis? Are you able to see? Yes or no? Guys, are you all with me? Yes or no? Yes. Black Duck is a tool which will tell on the static code analysis. It means you integrate. So what we have done in Verizon, by the way, right? You have your pipeline. In the pipeline, in the middle, we have introduced a tool called Black Duck. This is your static code analysis. It means it will not run your code. Static means not run your code, but it will just take the code and read file by file, line by line, and it will generate a beautiful report. And what that report will consist of? How many critical bugs are there? How many high bugs are there? How many low, medium? Are you all able to understand? Critical, high, low, medium. And we as a DevOps engineer should target to mitigate high, then critical, then medium, then low. There is a priority of order. Yes? Clear, everyone? Are you all clear with this? Code smells, bugs, there are a variety of things, right? So Black Duck, when I talk about Black Duck, Okay, this is on a software which will do this kind of thing. Okay, and it's a static code analysis tool. All of you see here. And other tools are what? OWASP. Guys, tomorrow I will be showing you OWASP tool. Are you all clear? Now, what is OWASP? OWASP is also a static code analysis tool. Tomorrow you will see the hands-on. Clear, everyone? Now, what this OWASP will do, similarly, this will generate a report and it will tell to the users what are the issues in your code. Clear, everyone? Yes? Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Guys? No. Are you all sleeping? You are not showing the Josh as I'm keep on shouting. Yes? Clear? Okay. How many people are there with me here? Let's see. Okay, that's fine. Okay, and all of you, I hope you know what is tomorrow's session. Tomorrow's session live link is also available to you, right? I hope you all know that tomorrow's session live link is also available on my YouTube channel, right? If you go to my YouTube channel, let me show you so that you understand what is the importance of this, right? So all of you see here on the live lessons, right? So tomorrow's session is also I have scheduled here. Okay, you all can come and watch here. Clear, everyone, right? Now, one good thing is we are at 35,600 subscribers. If you all subscribe to my YouTube channel, right? Like 450 people are watching. If you all search with Praveen Singampalli name, you can subscribe to the channel, right? The current ongoing live where you all are watching me, right? And we are very much close to 300 likes, correct? Yes or no? 199 likes we are close to, right? Now, all of you, let's come back to the pipeline setup. Okay. Now, static code analysis. Now, there is one more thing which I would like to tell you, right? System application testing. Okay. Now, in the SAST, we have SonarQube. Okay. System application testing. And this is also system application. Like it can be, the full form can be like this: static application system testing, something like that. SAST. Okay, what this SAST will do? So basically, in the OWASP, this is purely based on code. Okay, whatever the code you do, the analysis it will do. Okay, it will do on the system level. Okay, when I talk about system level, let's take this is your code, right? And it is sent over the SonarQube. Okay, SonarQube. Here, whatever you have seen, critical, high, low, medium, here it will give variety of chunks, code smells, duplicate lines, okay, bugs, issues, code coverage, and many things are there on SonarQube. So guys, tell me one thing with this slide. Are you able to understand Sonar and BlackDuck are different from this difference? Yes or no? Are you all able to understand Sonar and BlackDuck are different? Yes or no? Where are you all? Yes. Tomorrow also same time, 6 p.m. IST. Tomorrow also same time, every weekend same time, 6 p.m. IST. Clear, everyone? Clear? Yes, SAST means static application security testing. Okay, all of you note down. Static application security testing. Okay, in this also it will do on the code level, but it will tell what are code smells, what are duplicate lines in the code, bugs, issues, code issues, anything it will show. Okay, code quality. Okay, so here it will only show on the bigger level. It will go into deep and show. And tomorrow in our hands-on, we have SonarQube also. Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Clear? Great. Okay, SonarQube is nothing but it is a static tool. Okay, all of you see here, it's a static tool. SonarQube is a static tool, okay, which will go into deep of code. You can consider like deep of code, and it will give you issues like code smells, if any issues are there in your code, okay, some copy pasting issues are there, it will tell. It will also tell duplicate lines. Clear, everyone? And all the things it will tell you, right? So here we are having only high, low, critical, medium. Here we are having wide data. Now tell me one thing. You will be using both the tools. Okay, you will be tomorrow using OWASP, and we will be also using SonarQube. Are you all seeing? Yes. Coverity, we will not use GitHub, GitLab, we will not use tomorrow. We are going to use SonarQube, SAST, static application security testing. Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Guys, are you all clear? Yes or no? Right? Whatever from each block, I will be showing you tomorrow OWASP, tomorrow SonarQube we will see, right? And let's come here on the vulnerability management. Okay, what is vulnerability management? Now tell me one thing. If an organization is there, okay, if an organization is there, it will not use all the tools. Correct? Na? This is general, right? You all agree? If an organization is there, the organization will not use all the tools, right? How many of you agree? Right? The organization will not use all the tools. Very simple, right? Now that is where we have come up with various kinds of tools where each tool is doing one task. Like OWASP is giving us the static analysis, it is giving us little bit deep static analysis, and this is giving us the vulnerabilities. Now let me tell you what are the type of vulnerabilities tomorrow. Okay, now what are the type of vulnerabilities we will be discussing tomorrow, but today you just understand under each block of code, like secret detection, static code analysis, static application security testing, right, and security in IAC. Vulnerability management, I will show you tomorrow, like what are the different types of vulnerabilities, and for each vulnerability how you fix your issues. Clear, everyone? Now all of you see here. Now tell me one thing. Till now all the upper block we have discussed about code issues, right? All the upper block, can we keep like this? Upper block for code issues. Now tell me one thing. If you have your infra deployment, do you need the security to be happened on infra also? How many of you say yes? Yes, you need for infra also. Yes, guys, you need for infra or not? We definitely need for infra. Yes or no? We all need for infra, right? Obvious thing. That is obvious thing, right? So infra is very important for us, and one of such tool to maintain our infra security is our Trivy. Okay, if you see, the Trivy is falling down under which tool, guys? Security in infrastructure as a code. Are you all able to see Trivy? Yes, this is basically security in infrastructure as a code. Okay, now you will be seeing some same tools here and there blocks, but I am going to select for tomorrow's hands-on OWASP from here, SAST, SonarQube, and infrastructure as a code Trivy tomorrow. Clear, everyone? And what this Trivy will do is, so tell me one thing, tomorrow we are going to use Docker, right? Now whatever the images which the Docker generates. Now what is Docker? Docker is basically for containerizing your application, right? It will put in a black box. Your application is this, and it will create a black box. Clear, everyone? It's just a container which will be deployed on the Kubernetes tomorrow. I will be showing this entire flow tomorrow. Don't worry. As of now, just try to understand. Trivy is a tool which is only for the Docker, okay, and it is only for the images. Clear, everyone? I hope you are able to understand. Yes, Trivy is a tool which is only built for Docker, and it will scan the images. Clear, everyone? Yes. Now I hope you are able to understand what I'm talking, right? Are you all clear? Give me a yes, guys. 315 people are here. Why very less yes? Okay, I will take little bit water. Meanwhile, what you are thinking, right? You can tell me. Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes. Great. Yes, David, correct. Okay, how many likes are here? Paras is telling hit likes to 300. Okay, how many likes on the YouTube video? Let's do a small exercise now. I think this is our stream, live stream. Almost 300 people are watching us. 234 likes are here. Can you all make it 300, please? Yes? Okay. Uh, let's make like this. Let's make 300. Chalo. Let's make 300. Okay, how many likes? Let's see. Let's refresh. And also, please do share the channel link with your friends. Yes, perfect way to start the boot camp. Pranay is telling, right? So see, all the people are telling various kinds of things. Classes will be daily, only on Saturday and Sunday. Okay? Clear? And if anyone wants to join the Telegram link, you can join from here. Okay? This is the Telegram link for recession proof DevOps playlist. Okay? Clear? Clear, everyone? Yes. Good start. Today's start is good start. Tomorrow's start will be more awesome because we'll be covering more tools. Okay? Okay, everyone? Yes. Okay, let me take a small screenshot. This I liked. Okay, great. Okay, now let's go ahead. And one more thing, guys, you can share the channel link with your friends. And tomorrow we are going to rock. Okay. Now, Trivi, I told you, is our infrastructure security related thing. And DAST. Now, tell me one thing. Till now, we have seen on static security. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Till now, we have seen on static security. Now, dynamic security is also needed. What is this dynamic security? Okay, let's see. Okay. Now, let's go into little bit of deep things. Okay. When I talk about dynamic security, what does this dynamic means? Okay, static means your application is not running. I told you this, right? Okay, let me put like this here. Static means app is not running. Okay. Dynamic means it will perform some real time validations. Okay. And it will have some rules. And on top of that rules, it will perform some real time validation. And in whereas in other companies, we were using 45 as dynamic application security testing. Now all of it like this dynamic application security testing. Okay. Under this DAST, we are using 45. Okay. This is a free software. Yes, free is very limited only for code checking, but you have to pay for license also if you are introducing it in your organization. Okay. Now, what is 45, guys? 45 will give you the real time issues. Like advanced, guys, are you seeing? Like we started with OWASP, we then went with SonarQube, we are now at 45, and we also seen Trivi. Now, 45 is an advanced tool. Let me put like this here. 45 is an advanced tool. Now, what this tool is doing, guys? Okay. Now, tell me one thing. You have your hacker here. Okay. This is your hacker. Okay. This hacker is trying to upload his Aadhaar card. Okay. This hacker is trying to upload his Aadhaar card into a website. Okay. Now, let's imagine while uploading the Aadhaar card, he came to know that this application is not having proper code with which can enter inside the website and they can access the servers of the website on the backend. Clear? So what immediately it does is with his Aadhaar card, he is trying to upload one more card. Let's take a junk file. Junk file. That file is having all the malicious software. With that, he's trying to explode the system. Clear, everyone? Clear? So, what is that? Is basically your XML entity attack. Okay, this is one type of attack where you upload the data in the XML format and you keep on uploading the junk data, and you will be making your server burden. Okay. Now, one more issue is there, like how many of you have heard this DDoS, denial of service attack? Okay, DDoS is nothing but suppose you have a server which is capable of handling 100 requests per minute or per second. Now, hacker comes to know that it is only handling 100 requests per second, and he creates a malicious script. Okay, malicious script, and he automates that script in such a way that it hits 1 lakh times. Now, tell me what will happen on the server? Will the server crash with the DDoS attack? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Denial of service. Distributed denial of service. Yes. Correct. Yes or no, guys? Distributed denial service. Right. And this also should be limited. This session will run till 8 p.m. 6 to 8 p.m. Okay? Yes, it will crash. Definitely, it will crash. Right. So that is where your 45. This blue symbol, are you seeing, guys? Everyone, this blue symbol. And obviously, tell me, you want to save passwords, you want to save your secrets, application secrets, all those things. As we are learning Azure, I'll be showing you some Azure key vaults also going ahead. I will not show you Google Secret Manager or Vault. I'll be showing basically HashiCorp Vault. I will not show you. I will show you Azure key vault. Clear, everyone? Yes. Voice is breaking. Is it good? Is it good now? Is it good now? Voice is good. Little bit lag will be there sometimes, but that's fine. Is it good? Still breaking? Still breaking? No, now fine? Now okay? Okay, great. What about people on LinkedIn? What about on LinkedIn? Let's see. Okay, 70 people are there. Good. Now it's fine. Great. Okay. Now let's go ahead. I have just kept the difference here, what each one does. So SAS, DAST, infrastructure as a code, static code analysis, and pen testing. We'll not talk about pen testing. That is completely different scenario, right? Fast, what it does, scans source code, fast, easy to automate, lightweight versions available. Dash runs binary to scan, can be fast depending on the app size and complexity, offers higher accuracy than SAST. I told you, right? More higher vulnerabilities it will give, right? Offers again higher accuracy than SAST, right? Static code analysis. Static code analysis is only for code libraries and third-party application software. Okay, fast, easy to automate. Okay, we'll not go to challenges. This is what you have to see, and let's talk about Jenkins file, guys. Okay, now from the security point of view, all of you see here. Is this the code? Now, how many of you are able to see my screen? Is this the code? Yes, that was the. Now you need to remember a four rule theory which I tell to all my students. Okay, all of you see here? Four rule theory. Okay, whenever you are doing coding, okay, all of you see here, very important. Whenever you do the coding, four rule theory, whenever you do the coding, you need to remember four things. Okay, Docker file, okay, okay, Kubernetes file, okay, Jenkins file, and dependency file. Okay. Now I will show you tomorrow what each file will be doing with our code. But as of now, all of you write this four rule theory for coding for DevOps engineers. Clear, everyone? Yes. Okay. Refresh the page if you want. Done. All of you are able to hear my voice. Lordson, able to hear? Yes, no? Guys, able to hear my voice? Why are you not telling? Lasya, thanks for acknowledgement, right? Able to hear, able to hear. Great. Okay. All of you see here, the four rule theory is clear. And each file we will be talking tomorrow like this. But today I will be talking about Jenkins file, which is very important for our code. Here, everyone. Now, all of you see here, whenever you want to run your code, okay? Whenever you want to run your code, okay? Very simple, okay? You need to create all the four files which I have talked about above. One, two, three, and obviously four. Okay, these four files are very much important for you to create your design diagrams, for you to create your DevOps basics to advanced structure journey. Okay, in this first I'll be showing you what is Jenkins file today, and tomorrow we will be seeing rest of the files. Okay, now Jenkins file is one of the important file for Jenkins. Okay, it is like the heart of Jenkins. Okay, and whatever you write in this file, okay, whatever you write in this file, that is going to happen. Clear, everyone? Now let's see what is going to happen. Okay, all of you see here what is going to happen. All of you see now in this code. Are you seeing any dependency here? Maven dependency. Are you seeing any source file here? Test files here. Are you seeing any source file? Target file, Jenkins file, and a dependency file and a testing file. Yeah. Now I have double clicked on Jenkins file. Now, all of you see here, this is the Jenkins file structure, and you need to by heart again the four rule theory here. So, what is that four rule theory? Now, all the Jenkins file. Now, I told you right, the pipeline is a train. Okay, this is a train, guys. Okay, all of you, this is a train, and in each compartment, one tool is integrated. Tool one, tool two, tool three, tool four, tool five, and you see here. This is a stage. You see here, this is one compartment. The start of first compartment, end of first compartment. Start of second compartment, end of second compartment. Start of third compartment, end of third compartment, right? And you see here, four rule theory. The first in the Jenkins file, the keyword you need to use is pipeline. Then start your code, agent, stages, stage. Now, did you understand the four rule theory? For any Jenkins file, you have the pipeline as the first keyword, then agent, then stage, and then what is that? Step. Okay. Stages, stage. Okay. Plural, and then each stage. Okay. One, two, three, four. Under these steps, you will have some scripts. That's completely fine. But you need to remember pipeline, agent, stages, stage, steps. Okay. Like this. Now, all of you see here, each stage name is there, correct? Under this first compartment, train. Now, all of you think like this, you are traveling in a train, right? How many of you have traveled in the train till now? How many of you have traveled in the train till now? Right? You all have traveled, right? There will be coaches name, B1, B2 for ACs, A1, A2 for ACs, for general, and for sleepers, S1, S2, S3, right? Correct? Now, the same thing you see here, imagine this is the compartment one. The first compartment name is what? Compile stage. The second compartment name is what? Testing stage. The third compartment name is what? Install stage. So similarly, this is the one piece of code. And whenever you are seeing something like this code is written inside the step, it means that code is doing some add-ons to your actual code, which is this one. Okay, so tomorrow you will be seeing a code where you will see a Jenkins file, Docker file, Kubernetes file, so many files which I'll be introducing to you all. Yes, clear everyone, right? Now, now, do you think that Jenkins? Now, how many of you are new to the Jenkins file? How many of you are new to the Jenkins file? Yes, Eamon. What about others? What about others? Tanmay, we will talk about this a little bit. Radhika, new. Ramya, new. Okay, everyone is okay. Me, Priya. Okay, fabulous. Your name, I am not able to take it out. So only. Okay, everyone is new, right? Everyone is new, correct? Right? Okay, that's great. Okay. Now all of you see here. Now when I when I told right, Privy is an image scanner. See here, Privy image scanner. When you are scanning over an Nginx image, how many issues you are getting? See, 174 issues. How many? How many low? 114 medium. Tomorrow we will do the hands-on of this kind of structure where you will see what is what, and I will tell you how to resolve this vulnerability. Are you all seeing this vulnerability? Yes or no? And the vulnerability severity is low. Yes. Installed version is what, and how to fix that? It will show. Now, how many critical are there? Guys, how many critical are there? Currently traveling. Great. How many critical are there? 5 critical are there. Yes or no? Yes. 5 critical are there. Correct. So tomorrow I will be showing you how to resolve any critical output, any critical vulnerabilities, how to resolve. Clear, everyone? Yes. Clear, guys? Are you all with me? Great? Okay. So there is one important thing, guys. Kubernetes patterns. Now, this I will cover tomorrow. Today, I will just tell you on a high level what is Kubernetes and why we need. Now, let's see. Till now, what you have seen. Till now, okay. Okay. Till now, what you have seen, everyone, right? You have your code. You are using Train or Jenkins to deploy your code on cloud. Okay, and you are using some security measures also on your cloud, correct? And to be honest, when you are using like this, once your application is deployed on cloud, we are going to use Kubernetes, and tomorrow I will be showing you what is Kubernetes, why we need it, what are the important factors in the Kubernetes, all the things in depth we will be talking. Just try to understand this Kubernetes is the heart of DevOps. Clear, everyone? Without this Kubernetes, nothing will happen. Now, all of you see here in Kubernetes, okay, there is a four rule theory again, right? Four rule theory. Today we will discuss about the four rule theory, and tomorrow we'll be discussing more important concepts like what is sidecar, Istio, what is operators, what are init container sidecars. Right? Clear, everyone? Right? Today I'll be telling you on the basic levels. Clear? And tomorrow I will be showing you the deployment, the project, the Kubernetes data, and everything. Clear, everyone? Guys, are you all clear? Great. Okay. Now, all of you see here the four rule theory of Kubernetes. Now, all of you see here in Kubernetes, you always have a master node, okay, and a worker node. Okay, worker node and master node are servers. Tomorrow, I will show you the entire architecture from scratch. We are going to create from scratch in the sense no EKS, no Minikube, no Rancher, nothing. From scratch, I will be creating with various commands. Clear, everyone? Right? Now you see here, server, one master, one slave. In the master, always the master takes the data. It will have a database, it processes the data, and sends to the worker nodes. The worker nodes are the one which will help in the application deployment, application scaling, application reliability. Now, why we are going to cloud, right? When we are talking about Kubernetes, the only thing we are going to cloud is you have all the things like scalability, reliability, security, right? I can say like optimal usage of resources, right? And many other things, right? You have all the things like automatic routing, failovers, everything, right? Now, when you talk about Kubernetes, so let's deep dive into the components. There are four components in the master node. Let's consider this as a 4 BHK house, okay? And the worker node is also having four components, 4 BHK. So two 4 BHK houses are integrated together via a footpath. Okay. Now the first room is your API server. Okay. The second room, API server. All of you are with me, guys. All of you are with me. Yes or no? Yes or no? All of you are with me. Yes. Pavni Reddy, Kumam. Ha. Tomorrow I will show you how to build a Jenkins pipeline and integrate with our code. I will tell you. Okay. Uh, yes. All of you clear, right? Okay. Great. Now let me tell you one thing here. So in the 4 BHK house, what is the first room here in this? This is API server. The second room is your HCD. The third room is scheduler. The fourth room is uh, control manager. Okay. Okay. Clear everyone? Right. Now you can think like this. This is our dad. This is our mom. Okay. This is our brother or sister. Okay. And this is our, you can think like locker. Okay. Now, the story behind this is dad is the primary person, like who is coming into the house and who is going into the house, and he is the head of the family. Okay. Head of the family. Here, the mom is the one who controls the entire house, who has all the rules and regulations setting in inside the house. Mom is the one who is thinking about house, like how it should go, what are the security measures it should take, right? Everything. Brother and sisters are the one who are doing, or who are the ones who, whenever father and mother, whatever they tell, these are the people who has to obey, okay, and who has to practice those things. And HCD is the locker, like whatever you want to save it, whatever you want to store it, it's like a database. Okay, very simply, I have explained the relationship. Are you all clear with this family concept of our Kubernetes? Yes. Are you now, when you want to explain in the interview, you don't need to think, okay, control manager, mom, okay, mom controls the entire house. Okay, API server, dad, okay, incoming, outgoing, dad is the person who is taking care of the entire responsibility. Clear? Brother and sister are the one scheduler, always listens on what mom and dad says. Okay, HCD is like a locker. Are you all clear with this? How many of you feel it's a good start of Kubernetes? How many of you feel that? Yes, you all feel? You all feel or not? Now, who like? I hope you are able to understand like what we are talking, right? And what are the things we are going to learn. Clear? Amazing example. Yes. From now, you should not forget what you are learning. Okay, that is what my agenda is. Now, got it? Now I want to see some new names, guys. Okay. Now let's do a 1 minute of smiley round. Okay. Now all of you put various kinds of smileys on the chat. Family concept of Kubernetes. Okay, family concept of Kubernetes. So I just came up with a interesting thing. right? So that you understand what we are. Let's do the smiley round. Let's do the smiley round. All of you flash with various kinds of smileys so that I can understand that you are going to go ahead. And the person with the unique smiley, I will be putting on the screen. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead and check. Okay. The person with the unique smiley. Let's see. Okay. Okay. So many smileys. So many smileys. Right? Yes. Are you all clear with what we are talking? Right? Great. Great. Nice. 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 Nice to see you. Nice to see you all. Nice to see you all. Your comments, everything. Right? Great. Now, similarly, we have 4 rooms here and 4 people are staying in the house. Now, similarly, for the worker node, right? Worker node has 4 rooms, okay, and it has kubelet as a person name, right? Container D as a person name, and it has 2 more things: pod as a person name, and one more thing, you have your kube proxy. Okay. Now, in this, what each one is doing, let's see. Pod is storing your application, storing your application. Container D checks the container. Okay, tomorrow I will be showing you. Kubelet talks with the other house, the footpath. Okay, talks with other house people, other house. Okay, kube proxy. It will set proxy related things like networking and everything. Okay, clear everyone. So all of you note down this in your notebook. The family concept of Kubernetes which we have invented just now. All of you have written down in your notes. API server dad, etcd locker, scheduler brother sister, control manager mom. Kubelet talks with the other family. So basically, Kubelet will talk with the first house. Okay, entire people. Okay, container D checks on the application. Let's think like this. This is your application. This is your container. And on top of this, you will have your pod, and tomorrow's project we will be seeing this. Clear everyone with this example? Clear, guys? Yes? Are you all ठीक है? Sujata, I remember as you as a person, you are very much honest from starting. Like you join all my sessions, you trust me, right? So I wish you get a good offer soon. I know you are attending interviews also, right? So please make sure you come up with a good offer, right? Didn't get difference between pod and container. Tomorrow we will see. Just write down. So guys, I am giving you 1 minute. Write down this family concept and write down app, container, and pod. Tomorrow I will show you. Clear everyone? You want to take the screenshot? You can take it, not an issue. Clear everyone? Yes? Great. Paras is from batch 2. Okay, great. Now all of you clear? Yes or no? Yes. Now tell me, how was the today's session? Like, did you learn something? And also, I'll be sharing some of the interview questions, right? Going ahead. And tell me, how was today's batch, guys? How was today's class? Did you understood something, or you want to learn? Like, anyways, tomorrow we'll be doing the projects from scratch. But what is your take on this? What is your take on this? Tell me. What is your take on this? Did you got some new things? Yes. Valuable? Yes, Surya, definitely. I remember that. I will be refunding your thing, right, which I have missed. Don't worry. I have a track of everything. Yesterday, I couldn't join because I was preparing this document. Okay, clear everyone? Surya? Because if I put 30 minutes onto a call, then what will happen now? And I forgot to take that call also. Okay? Now, all of you see here one important thing, right? I hope you all have liked the session, right? And a few things to roll out to everyone, right? After this class, right? After this class, once you come onto this YouTube, my YouTube channel, right? Very important, few important things for tomorrow's class, what you need to come prepare, I am telling, okay? For tomorrow's class, all of you see here, you need to come and join this live class. Okay, session 2, deploying game with DevSecOps, CICD pipeline, Docker, Kubernetes from scratch. This is your session 2. And for this session, you all comment after this live is ended, right? After this live is ended, you all should comment here, right? I would like to see your feedback on this page. What you felt, how was the session? Because when others see, they also get motivation. After this live is ended, let's think like this: 8:30 p.m. You come and see here. Yes, documents are provided. Yes, that's where. Just give me 1 minute. All of you see here. You comment on this YouTube video, the live, how you felt the YouTube video. At least, guys, 20 comments I need. Whatever the comments you are putting, like the session. Okay. Okay, Surya, you want the session. Surya, it's really okay. Let's think about that. Okay, Surya, can you please email to our mail ID, any of the mail ID? Okay, and yes, definitely 20 people, guys. Okay, 10 plus 10, 20 people can comment here after this live is ended. And yes, one more important thing for everyone, guys. Everyone, I'm telling. Yes, I will be sharing the documents and everything. How many people are there in our live? Let's see. How many people are there in our live? I'm not able to see the number of people. 259 people are here. Great. Right. Now, all of you see here. Okay, all of you see here. Correct. Right. Now, all of you see here. One good thing we are doing, right? And I will introduce you to this platform, right? Now, this is my own platform, guys. HEYDEVOPS. Okay. And this, I am only responsible for this. I have a team of people and I'm only responsible for this. And to be very honest, right? Whatever I have learned in Walmart, I left the company. All those projects I have kept in the batch 6.0, right? And our students have placed with highest package now. This is again the truth that in 4.0 batch 36 LPA, but the 5.0 batch have crossed 40 LPA. Okay, I will not tell you, only see on our feed page. I will take you to our feed page. Now, if you see right on our feed page, people are stating their things. Okay, now I think I have shifted my cursor here. Let's see. Okay, now this is the person who has got 40 plus LPA from our batch 5.0, and people are congratulating Devashis. Okay, clear everyone, and he cracked 2 offers as a SRE engineer. Now this is for batch 4, and let me be very honest, we are rolling out batch 6.0 starting from January 2024. And in batch 6.0, you are going to get all my Walmart projects because I have resigned Walmart as a company. Okay, so you see here, if I go here, if I go to my profile, you can search under my profile. See, I have left the Walmart, right? Now, all the projects, all the things, all the effective questions you are going to get in the batch 6.0 with 14 plus projects, 10 plus assignments, 3 plus hours of core teaching, and obviously it's starting from January 6th. Okay, here everyone, class recording will be available. Class timings are from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, and every Wednesday we are having doubt clearing session, 2 years validity. And if you see the 14 plus projects, these are the projects. You are getting the Helm charts, RBACs, Kubernetes cluster monitoring, provisioning, chatbot automation, AWS architecture, and all the projects are on next level. And I will promise that all the projects are refined to the next level. Like God of all projects, I will bring to you. And till batch 5, the projects are different from batch 6 because the interviewers are upgrading themselves. The knowledge they have, they are upgrading. Now you will get resume templates, interview questions, mock interviews, everything. And yes, obviously, if you see till the batch 5, these tools are not there in batch 6. these tools I have added. RBAC, Spring Boot, Visual Studio, your Istio, Jaeger, Kiali, Java, Helm Charts, MySQL database, Node.js, and what not. There's all things, right? Now, I am telling you, those who are interested, guys, those who are interested at 70% off, we have launched this batch, and soon we will be making this cost a little bit high once the registrations are limited and getting closed. And I will tell you very honestly, if you go to the homepage, if you see our course, if you see our success stories, right? If you see, people have placed in Walmart and taken picture with me. People are getting 400% hike. People are acknowledging our post. People working in Verizon have been our students. People working in other companies have been our students, right? And people from USA have also got jobs. Now, the way I teach, I purely teach on what is needed for you to become your job search. Okay. Now, that is why I am very much happy that from batch 5, we have attained 40 plus LPA. Still, many people are enrolling with us. Many people are getting jobs with us. Now, those who are interested, guys, to only those people, right? The bookings are open, and with limited registrations, we are slowing down this batch, right? You can enroll here and use the coupon code of job ready, right? And when you click on book your seat, you see the coupon code is already applied. Job ready is your coupon code with 70% off. Now, those who are interested, they can be the part of this course. And again, I am telling, no prerequisites, guys. The way I teach, if you do believe, you can join all my sessions on YouTube. I don't have any issue. But if you believe that, yes, obviously, no prerequisites for beginners and experienced. Okay, for beginners and experienced, no prerequisites. 14 projects, 3 hours of code teaching, live doubts clearing session, extra assignments and quizzes, bonus sessions on resumes and personal branding. And for this batch, I'll be sharing my resume, my own resume. Okay, clear everyone. Course starts from 6 January 2024, 2+ months. Doubts clearing session, class timings, class schedule, 14 plus real time projects, duration, recording available, course validity, 8 p.m. Doubt clearing session, beginner friendly. Programming used purely based on your Python. Here, everyone. Course length 2+ months, and anyone from testing domain, from DBA domain, anyone can enroll, guys. Yes, yes, Raghu, you want to join? Raghu is from batch 5. Raghu, and those who are from batch 5, right? Tomorrow I will be giving a coupon code to you from batch 5. If you want to enroll, you can enroll. From batch 5, I will be giving a coupon code. Clear, everyone, from for tomorrow's class. Yes, and Radhika and everyone, those who have joined the batch 6, right? Soon you will see the Telegram links, and also you will see some community pages for you, the new community pages. Yes, Iris and everyone, those who want to join. Yes, guys, again, I am telling it's completely beginner friendly. Again, I am telling from scratch, the way I have taught you, I'll be giving the class notes like this. Yes, you have to make your class notes, and I will be giving project documents. I'll be giving from scratch everything what you need to achieve. Now, this price, again, if we are having seats filled up, this price will be changed to something else. The 70% flat off you won't be getting. I'm very much honestly telling, students have got jobs under us, and one by one, I will be rolling out all the things. And you see here, this is the community feed section where students are helping each other, where students are sharing their knowledge, where students are coming up with their doubts, their assignments are getting completed. All of you see here, the Django task completed, student is telling, right? Right? And Narendra is telling, Sai, congratulations, all the best for your new job. I am also working in USA. I would like to sync up with you. Please share your LinkedIn contact, right? And some people are sharing their notes, their testimonials, their GitHub links. They are very much happy with the 5.0 batch, what we are doing. Architectural design, I asked in the class, right? Now you can like, share, comment, everything you can do in this Prime batch 6.0. Now, if you want to enroll in this batch, right? Enroll every project, 14 plus projects, and I am openly challenging you. If you see that any mentor in this community is giving you 14 plus projects, Yes, mock interviews are covered, right? Mock interviews are covered. 14 plus projects are covered, and everything is there. All of you see here. And tools, 14 plus projects, all of you see here. Every project, I will be giving again the roles and responsibilities. All of you see here. Each project's roles and responsibilities with document. Okay. You can keep in your resume, you can keep in your page. Now, 10 registrations for today, guys. 10 registrations today, right? And soon we will be offering this at a more price, right? 10 registrations. Anyone enrolling can take out their name. You just hit Hey DevOps, okay? And obviously, you are getting the Play Store app. All of you see here, we are at Play Store also. Android apps. We will have Play Store app. While moving, while traveling, you can watch this. Okay, this is our A DevOps app. You can see here, and everything is here, right? You can download because it is a Mac. You are not able to see, right? Everything is here. Yes. Now tell me who wants to join. Now Lakshmi has joined. Great. What if someone not able to attend? Like, recordings are available. Nice, beautiful. The course, you are getting the document, you are getting the certificate. And previously, I only target my students to get into Walmart, Cisco, DXC, Zynga, Deloitte, because those are product based companies and your package will be 100%, 200%. And you know, batch 5, they have got 100% hike, 200% hike. People have got placed in various companies, right? Tomorrow, I will show you some students talk, right? And all you see, right? All of you see here, this is beginner friendly, guys. For a fresher to experience, I have some students, right? And definitely, we will be working hard, right? All of you, open this www.heydevops.in. All of you, just type on Google Hey DevOps. Okay, type on Google Hey DevOps, and you will be seeing all the things, all the testimonials, all the success stories here. All of you see here. Shubham Matre is telling, taking a leap into DevOps and SRE with Prime Batch 4.0, Praveen Singhambali 4.0, boom, right? Gopi Krishna from Batch 1, DevOps 2, Praveen Singhambali, Sujata is there. Sujata was our previous batch student, right? One of the student. Greta Chris is telling, anyone can join. A non-IT guy can also join. Chandan is telling, great class. Yogesh, 400% hike. My honest reviews, he's taking a lot of effort in his current DevOps bootcamp. And if anyone wants to join, they can join, right? Today I attended Praveen Singhambali batch 2. Excellent topic on CICD. Nazim is telling, thank you so much, right? 36 LP, yeah, our class student has got in Prime batch 4.0, right? In Visa, she has got placed. And she has got into Mercedes Benz. She has got as a fresher placed, she has got, right? So I am talking. Yes, Paras, for batch 2, there is some data, like time limitation is there, right? You check till what time your course access is there. Based on that, you can see, right? Now, 8 more registrations we are waiting, guys. 8 more registrations. Yes, you can talk with Patel little bit. Now, this why this Prime Batch 6.0 is needed, because I will be sharing. If you see on my YouTube channel, in the last 2 months, I have cracked 10 companies. Okay, I'm not telling lie. If you go and see, all the emails with congratulations will be here. Okay, see here how I got 15,000 views. Oh, I got 10 DevOps and SRE offers within 60 days. Okay, and here you will see some offer letters, some emails also with congratulations. Okay, and this all interview questions I'll be sharing, right? Along with that, you will get a dedicated mentorship, one-to-one sessions, and you will obviously have a particular streamline code and everything, right? Now, anyone who is registering, okay, Surya, no worries, no worries. Wait for some time. I will be helping you. Difference between batch 5 and batch 6. In batch 5, you had the same projects which we have till batch 1, 2, 3, 4. Batch 6 completely revamped the projects. Clear, everyone? Batch 6 completely revamped the projects, new things, because we are moving into Azure also, new things will be there. Commitment is needed little bit from your time and from my time, right? Any coupons, any coupons for batch 1 students, batch 1, batch 2, batch 3, batch 4, batch 5, all the students only batch 5 students will get the coupon in tomorrow's class, in batch 5 class. But as of now, guys, this is the least price. And I'm telling, for every student, this is the golden opportunity for you. Last 7 registrations for this today's class, and then we will end the class. Anyone who is interested. Ajit, definitely talk. Okay, let's talk also a little bit of time. But last 7 registrations, anyone is doing registration, let me know. I'll wait for you. Then I will talk with the people. Yes. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Is mock interviews conducted? Yes, mock interviews are there, brother. Interested people can come to me for mock interviews. You see here, resume templates, interview questions, mock interviews with feedback I'm going to give. I'm a person who has placed in Amazon, Walmart, Microsoft, right? And other top product-based companies also, and you will get the mentorship from Prime like me. Okay? Yes, those who are interested, they can enroll today, right? Yes, use out in the Bharat. Definitely. Okay, Bharat. Now I'm giving again links. If anyone wants to use it for your understanding, you can definitely take it. You can enroll yourself and you can be the part of this. Clear? Yes, Rajita, EMI options are there with credit cards, and this batch is going to be a boom batch, a, a great batch. Certificate you will get. You will get course content. No other mentor will be providing course details. You can check overview, homepage, everything is there. Success stories. You can talk with the students and then enroll. Okay. Here, need some time. Definitely. Vigneshwar has joined. The trust you have made, Vigneshwar, on me. Great. I missed the live class. Whether recordings will be available? Yes, party. Recordings will be available. Ankit Shukla has joined. Last 7 registrations. As your free account create, yes, as your free account we are going to use tomorrow from next class on this we will be doing. You talk with MS Dhoni. Okay. No one has seen this. I've talked with MS Dhoni sir also. I don't know how many of you have seen that, but yeah, that's how you can see, right? And you can see so many students have got placed with our batches. You can also talk with other students, see placement data review. You can talk with these students, and you can talk with many other students. This is earlier students who have got placed, right? So many students are doing. Yes, and each project I will be teaching you. I will be doing the hands-on. Each project I will teach you. Each project I will give you document. Each project I will give you roles and responsibilities. Clear, everyone? Clear? Batch 6 is on Azure and AWS both. Little bit on Azure, little bit on AWS. Clear, Chakri? Mostly on AWS, little bit on Azure also. Clear? Yes, we will do hands-on also. Clear, everyone? EMI link you will get here only. All of you see here. Once you go onto the book your seat now, it will directly take you to the this page. And once you fill your details, if you go to the payment page, there you can select the credit card EMI option and debit card. Right? Yes, enrolled. Okay, last 6 people who are with me, guys. Who are with me? Yes, great. I have already joined. Hari Prasad. Recordings will be available for 2 years, guys. 2 years. Yes, recordings are available. All of you see here. Class recordings provided. Search here. Class recordings provided. Yes, for 2 years access. Course validity with documents, my notes, my class notes, everything. 2 years access, guys. Clear, everyone? 2 years access and all the projects. CICD pipeline, Jenkins shared library, Docker advanced project, Kubernetes 3-tier architecture deployment, Kubernetes issue 𝐾𝐈𝐿, Python real-time monitoring, chatbot, shell scripting, Kubernetes cluster, AWS Terraform, AWS Ansible, Red Hat Linux system administration, Java Spring Boot integration with Splunk, Java database, Kubernetes project deployment, right? All these projects along with the Ankit, there is no EMI option. You have to go with this. Yes, Tripathi, Tirupati. Okay, Tirupati Patnaik. Definitely, there are some things. DevSecOps also we are covering. Fortify and Black Duck we are also covering in our 3 hours. I would like to suggest the course. You've done MBA. Yeah, I have also done MBA. I have also done my MBA. If you see on my LinkedIn profile, I have also done my MBA from NMIMS. Where is my profile? Okay. I have done NMIMS, MBBS, yes, MBA, right? So it's very much apt. And those who want to join, see some of the testimonials are here. Esaki has joined Kesaya, right? And is wishing me. And so many people, so many students, if you get good package, right? Yes, definitely, Anshuman. We will talk about that. What is 56? Sayyada Sultana, what is 56 means? I didn't get that. What is it? Okay, Paras, definitely, we all will be rocking in the coming days. And I'm very much open to tell you that our batch students are doing good. And you will be definitely getting a new page here, DevOps feed section, where all our students, right? You are also going to get some coins, right? And you are also going to get some projects, okay? And all the feeds you can talk here, share your knowledge, become the member, community member. See how much feed, guys. This is all over the world. People are here with us, all over the world. See, I completed AWS Terraform Infra with Python data screenshot it. I have one question. So he's asking some questions. People are responding, right? Okay, great. Radhika, I think we have said this, right? Okay. Now, can we clear CK exam? No, I'm not targeting about exam, guys. Yes, 10 years of experience, people have joined with us. People have joined. People have joined with us. Here, 10 years of experience. All of you see here. Now, in this page, if you see about the success stories, you see I am taking picture with my batchmate students in Walmart. Here, if you are genuine student, right, you will be with me, right? You will be with me in the sense you will be getting job. Here, DSA is not needed, by the way. Here, here, everyone. Now, those who want to join, okay, last 5 minutes. Those who want to join, I am again giving you the direct link for the batch 6 if you want to join, right? Once we are live on YouTube, right, this video, how students got placed and all those things, once we make the YouTube live, then probably you will see some higher price. Registered for 6.0 batch. Great, Ramya. Last 5 6 guys for today. Last 5 6. Anyone who is with me, anyone who is with me on LinkedIn. Okay, LinkedIn people, how many are there? 41 people are there on LinkedIn. Why are you so silent? Okay, guys, again, we will be rolling out the documents on the Telegram. Okay, this is the batch 6 link. I've just pasted. You can check. Okay, okay, clear, everyone. I've just pasted the batch 6 link. If anyone is interested, you can also be the part of this. Okay, prime batch 6, where I mainly focus on giving you the best. Yes, definitely, Tirupati. I have managers with 18 years of experience. It's not opening. What is not opening? All of you see here. Just hit heydevops.in. All of you just hit heydevops.in. This is the page where you need to hit. You go into the courses or heydevops.in/batch6. This will take you to the orange landing page, which we are running right now. If you want a demo, complete demo session, you can get the demo session also here, right? Great. I'm waiting for last 2 enrollments, guys. For today's class, I'm waiting for last 2 enrollments. Now, let's see how many of you are with me. Let's see. Let's see now. Let's see if you want to be with me. Global Logic, IBM, DXC, Dell, Flipkart, Amazon. Students have passed with us. Walmart, obviously, I have shown you the proof also, right? And I will show you the names only for the students, those who are telling me. Yes, Uday, definitely. That will be possible. Don't worry. After going to Hey DevOps, it was not showing batch 6. It will show. All of you see here. Hey DevOps. Hey DevOps. Go here. Refresh your page. Go to courses. Guys, you need to go to courses, right? Go to courses. Go to batch 6. Upcoming live batch from January 2024. Only 3 weeks left for us. Fabulous session, right? Great. Great. Guys, last two registrations for today's class. Anyone on the face? Okay, now let's talk about the people. Now, how many of you wanted to talk with me? Come on this live. StreamYard link I am giving, and I'm giving on the LinkedIn also the StreamYard link. If anyone wants to talk with me, click on the StreamYard link. Okay, this is a StreamYard link. I'll be talking with few of the people. Praveen, Uday, 5.0 is also there. Na? Both the things are there. Freshers, definitely we are supporting, right? All of you, take this StreamYard link. If anyone wants to join and talk with me on live, anyone is there? Anyone is there? Those who want to join live and talk with me? Yes, Aniruddha, definitely. It is, this course is designed for 0 years experience to 18 years of experience. Okay. 0 years to 18 years of experience, anyone can join. Okay. Gaurav Sethi has joined. Lasya has joined. So let me go ahead. Go ahead. You are able
Hi,
to
hi
see and
Praveen.
talk with me. Gaurav, go ahead.
Hi Praveen.
Gaurav, okay.
Hello, hello.
Lasya, I've given you the unmute access.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Okay, Tripathi has joined. Tripathi, go ahead. Gaurav, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
Yeah, hi, Praveen. Can you able to hear me?
Okay, 1 second. I think someone has switched on. Oh, okay. Okay, now, okay, great. Go ahead. Lasya, go ahead first.
I'm audible now?
Yes, you are audible. Lasya, go ahead first.
Sir,
Praveen,
sir,
can you
good
able to hear
evening.
me?
Actually,
Okay, guys, wait. I am able to hear Tripathi, Lasya, Gaurav Sethi, and Sai. Okay, first we'll go with Lasya. Go ahead.
hi, sir.
Hi. Go ahead with your
Am I
question.
audible, sir?
Yes, go ahead with your question. Yes, you are audible.
Sir, actually, is there any handwritten notes with you to provide us, sir? Actually,
Definitely. Like how you are
because
seeing today. Go ahead.
some will be okay with typed and some will be okay with handwritten, right? For
Correct.
memorize or to prepare own notes.
Correct. Definitely. So as you have seen today, there were more pictures, right? I scribbled a
Yes, sir.
lot more on my notes, right? So in batch in our class, you will see more on a theory written part on the class which we are discussing along with pictures, and I will be writing here also in my scribble note which you will be noting now. Okay. Additionally, I will be providing
Okay.
documents. Additionally, I will be providing project documents which I am doing in the class. I'll be doing the entire project and you will be doing after the class. Clear? With the help of document. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Great. Thanks, Lasya. Hope to see you in the class soon.
Thank you,
Okay?
sir.
Great.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you. Okay, great. Okay, Tripathi, go ahead.
Hi, Praveen. Good
Hi.
evening. Yeah, hi.
Good evening.
Praveen, actually, like, okay, in my total years of experience, I explored the architecture, the GCP
Yes.
and AWS, okay, but I never
Yes.
got the opportunity to work in Azure side. So, but
Yes.
I have done some Kubernetes deployment and all, but I always interested to more over come into the DevOps, like
Yes.
completely. Okay.
Yes.
So in this DevOps course, okay, whether you are going to go ahead and explain us the code build and code pipeline regarding the AWS concepts also as well, like the normal
Yes.
DevOps and
Yes.
AWS
Yes.
DevOps.
Yes.
A-
Definitely.
and
We will.
and along with that, because you told, right, okay, Azure DevOps, you are going to cover that in this batch as well, right?
Correct.
so
Correct.
so so that is also available, right? And how
Yes.
about that, like the projects, because right, in the real time environment, okay, we are having so many environments and all, okay, and like the dev, QA, LNP,
Correct.
prod, there are so many
Correct.
environments, and normally the
Correct.
secret manager and all, okay, because I
Correct.
used to do okay, the
No, got it. Got it.
yeah, so the
So
SecOps tool,
those
right?
things,
Okay. Mhm.
secret managers we will not use,
Yeah.
very honestly. And what you said, the other thing, dev QA staging production environments, I'll be showing you one pipeline, okay, which we have to replicate the same thing in dev QA. Like I will be showing a staging pipeline, and we can take it to production, dev, QA, depending on our requirement. So always requirement comes to us, and depending on our requirement, we work, right? So I will be showing the complete pipeline, but it's up
Yeah.
to like us, like how we are visualizing that in a production. But I will be giving you like in Verizon how I was using, in Walmart how I was using, right?
Okay,
Okay.
okay, okay.
Okay. Azizul is
And
back. Okay.
another thing, okay. So we are covering the SecOps tool also, right? The FOSSA checkmarks or
Yes.
any other thing like the 42 crunch.
45
page.
and Black Duck we are covering with various kinds of scenarios.
Mhm.
Check marks we are not covering. Yeah.
Okay, okay. So
Yeah.
any
Thanks.
guardrail tools and all? Okay. Any guardrail
No,
tools and all?
no, we are not covering that.
But the monitoring tools definitely okay.
Huh.
The Prometheus and Grafana, right?
Prometheus, Grafana, 𝐃𝐈𝐒𝐫𝐬𝐭, Jaeger, and those things are there. Yes.
So most probably, okay, I'll be traveling. So if I will miss any class, so the recordings will be available, and there should be a doubt clearing session will be there, right?
Yes, definitely.
Okay,
Both the things are
great.
there, and there's a dedicated community also, as I've shown you feed page, right?
Yeah. Okay, I enrolled already. Okay, so
Okay.
maybe I will get the
No
all the
problem.
details, right?
No problem. And how many years of experience you have?
16 going to be.
Yes. Okay, no worries. Definitely we will work. And, like I have 16, 18. If you ask batch 5 students, I have already 16 years of experience. So definitely we will work. No worries. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks, Tripathi.
Yeah.
So that was Tripathi. Yes. So Azizul is back. I see every time when I conduct any session, he is there for us. So he's from USA. Okay. I would like to talk with Prasad. And who is this? Yeah, go ahead. Anyone?
Yeah. So hi,
Sure.
Praveen.
Yes, Prasad. Go ahead. Yes. Hi.
Hello.
Yes. Hi. Go ahead, Prasad.
No, Gaurav
No,
this
it's
side.
Gaurav.
Oh, Gaurav. Go ahead. Gaurav. Yeah.
Yeah. So like, I just want to thank first to you for the today's session because I learned many things about because like earlier I was only aware about that there is just a pipeline. I was not aware like about these types of tools like the DevSecOps tool, right? Like Trevi, SonarCube. So it was a really great session. I just have a one request to you. Like for tomorrow's session, it would be great if you can like you will be elaborating right on the project part for the
Correct.
Jenkins and all the tools and
Project we
Ansible.
will be elaborating, and I will be doing hands-on.
Okay.
Yes.
And
Okay.
you like one more thing. So like for the today's session, you'll be like posting this video, like or not?
Yes, it will be
Okay.
available, and documents will be available only to the Telegram students.
Telegram.
Those who
I
are
already joined that channel.
okay. That's great. Okay, thanks,
Thank you so
Gaurav.
much, Wayne. Thank you
No
so much.
problem. Thank you. Yeah,
Bye-bye.
thank you. Yeah. Bye. So Sai and okay. Sorry, Sai. Who is this? Radhika. Yeah, Radhika. Go ahead. And Ramya. Yes, you can definitely join with 3 years of experience, and USA people have got jobs from batch 5.0. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, Radhika, go
Uh,
ahead.
yeah, actually, I wanted to check on the roadmap for 12 years experience because getting an entry level job for us at this stage may not be feasible.
You are 12 years experience.
Yes.
Okay, and what domain you are working?
I was from system admin background. Currently, I'm into a managerial role. But I
Okay,
do have hands-on experience in Kubernetes. I have completed my certification and also I have some hands-on on AWS.
okay. So what's your ask now? Sorry, I just missed that.
Yeah, I just want to switch my job, whether it is a cloud or DevOps. But thing
Okay.
is, I just don't want to get into an entry level job because with my
Oh,
experience,
no, you won't get entry level. See, for 12 years experience, if you apply for Walmart, senior manager one role is there, where package is around 80, close to 70, 80 lakhs. Okay. And if you apply for Amazon, there is a engineering manager role. If you apply for Microsoft, right? So definitely openings are there. And if you are not going to a managerial level, then in what, let's take, because I know Walmart more, right? There is a staff software engineer role, which is close to
Mhm.
your manager role. If you want technical side, that is a good role. If you want a managerial side, senior engineering manager roles are there. Not only Walmart, you can check for the companies like Atlassian, Google, Microsoft, your Zeta rubric. You just check my YouTube channel. Whatever thumbnail pictures you see, you pick from there and apply to those companies because there the company packages are good, very good. Okay? So I
Yeah,
would request you to.
but the thing is, like, I don't have proper hands-on, right? So will I be able to make it? That is my question. Because for 12 years experience, the expectation will be more, right?
No, not the case. So expectation is more in the sense how you have. So let's take we do one project. This is for everyone, right? We do one project, and how we have to explain if you are a manager, right? How I will explain, because I am 8 years experience, I will explain like I have done that. Whereas you will explain that some part you have done, some part you have made your team to work on it. Let's take tomorrow we will, a DevSecOps pipeline. You will start with this like, yes, I have built a team of 4 members where 2 people were completely on the DevOps side and 2 people were working on the security side. And later, after the creation of the pipeline from scratch, we have supported few of the supply chain applications as a POC, and then we have migrated the POC into the real-time application, and we have tried to integrate with various kinds of tools like SonarQube, Trivi, Docker, all those things. You will tell your story, and then you will tell that with the help of this, we have also given KT to the other teams where, right? So what it tells the interviewer that you are a person who is not only helping your team to grow, at the same time you are helping others to learn those things, and you are trying to visualize a big picture where all the tools are there, and you are also dividing your team into two parts, and you are helping them to learn, and at the end you will collab them and try to fix their understandings, right? So he will also see leadership qualities, the communication skills, the way you are interacting with the eyesight. So there are many things for an experienced candidate. So I would say there should not be an issue if you are working on this projects, which I will be covering in the 6.0. Definitely you will be able to explain upfront.
Okay. Thanks. That was my main concern actually.
No problem. Definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. No problem. Okay, that was Radhika. And any other person, Prasad, Sai, if you can go. Yes, freshers can also join, guys. Freshers can also join. Yes, go ahead, Sai.
Hi Praveen.
Yes, Sai, go ahead.
Yeah, I am a fresher, just landed a job, and I don't know on which domain they may assign me a role. Probably testing domain. But yeah,
Yes.
after I mean, some of my friends also joined the company, and most
Okay.
of them are allotted with testing or Java full stack.
Correct.
So,
So what's your question?
what is the difference between this bootcamp and prime batch?
Yeah, this bootcamp is mainly focused on Azure and your DevOps projects, which we will cover like 4 projects. And these projects will be not part of your next projects. Okay. So what is our plan is basically, if you cover this bootcamp, if you cover that bootcamp, or if you cover this free bootcamp, if you don't cover that bootcamp, it's completely your choice, right? Now, difference is there you will get my interview questions, my dedicated mentorship, my 14 plus projects, which I have worked in other companies like Walmart, Verizon, Infosys, right? Toyota, all those companies, whatever I have worked, you will be getting that, right? And the major difference is you will also get your feed section where you can talk with the students, other students, right? And we will have a dedicated doubts clearing session every Wednesday or Thursday. And at the same time, you are going to get a content which no other mentor is giving. 14 plus projects in 2 months. Every session, one project bringing that. And I'm honestly telling, I am a mentor who has already cracked 35 companies. If you're not believing, or if anyone in the class is not believing, go ahead and check my LinkedIn. If any one time, if you found that any post I'm telling lie, you come to me, right? And you straight away ask like, Praveen, you told lie. Okay. My any of the post, all the posts are genuine posts, and every post you will see at least 500 likes or 1000 like minimum cross-touching likes, because I always tell true, and truth always wins, right? So that is simple. Okay. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, you will see so many posts coming in from me. So stay tuned. Okay, Sai?
And in the prime batch, you told that there will be resume reviews, mock interviews,
Yes,
and
my resume from Walmart. I'll be sharing my Naukri portal, which I have applied, like which I was searching while I was in Walmart. I'll be showing, and my Adobe interview questions, my all the interview questions, right? Phase 2 interview questions, which I have cracked 10 plus companies in the last few months. I'll be sharing that, and phase 1 questions, which I have cracked in the 2019, like Walmart, Amazon. Those questions also I will share. Clear?
okay. And I'm from a tier 3 college, and as a fresher with this experience from the prime batch, can I be able to crack the
Yes.
product based companies?
Yes, definitely. That is our target. That is our motto. If you see the screen, right? Our motto is crack product-based company, because your mentor has done that, right? Your mentor has cracked all the companies, right? Become DevOps engineer. This is our tagline, basically. This is our company's tagline, which we follow, right? So that is what. Okay. Clear, Sai?
And for the boot camp, for this free boot camp, apart from the 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, we will get any assignments for the other
Yes,
weekdays?
yes, you have a big assignments, right? Definitely there. That's what I told, right, in our page, right? Every week there will be assignments for you to check your work, right? And if you
No,
don't believe,
I'm telling about the free boot camp which is going on now.
oh, in free boot camp, okay, in free boot
Yeah.
camp assignments not be there. So I'm not
Okay.
thinking of giving assignments because only interested people join. Certain people will join. If I give assignments, that will be like I am a real mentor for them. So that will not be there. Okay.
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 Thank you.
Thanks, Sai. Okay, Niranjan. Niranjan, where you have messaged, Niranjan is there. Okay, I'm not sure. Niranjan, see if you have messaged somewhere. Please wait for your response or mail to this mail ID for any quick response. Okay. And one more thing. Right, the team is on the development side. Okay, Niranjan, I want you to mail here quickly with your query. Mail here, and I think you would have not received any text if you have done a WhatsApp ping on the number, support number, because little bit issue is there. That will be resolved. Okay, mail, you will get the definite response. Okay, clear. Now Rajita is here. Anyone else? Okay, Rajita, go ahead.
Praveen,
Okay, yeah, who is
hi
this?
Praveen,
Prasad.
Prasad here.
Yeah, Prasad, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Praveen. So today's session it was a very great session. So I
Yes.
joined the batch
Okay,
6.
great.
So I worked I worked on DevOps and Python technologies, but I worked on support projects and not really into core DevOps, like
Hmm.
tools like GitOps and Kubernetes,
Yes.
Docker cluster like things.
Yes.
So I want to know from you. So how much the confidence I get after completing this batch 6 or all these things?
Yes.
I
So,
lack into real time scenarios or day to day activities like that. So
yes.
I want
So
to know
you
about
see, I am telling very honestly, I resigned Walmart. Okay. So whatever the projects I have done, these projects are here. Okay. If you see chatbot, who will teach you chatbot? Those who have worked on the real time scenarios. Okay.
yes,
So
yes,
I am working. So in Walmart, you see Kubernetes with monitoring Prometheus, Grafana, Helm charts, RBACs, GitLab CI/CD pipeline, the 3-tier architecture, all those things, the mix and flavors of all the companies I have kept in as the
yeah,
project. And that's why people are able to achieve. See, I am not telling. If you go to the feed section, you see the feed section of batch 5.0. This we have pinned today only, post 16 December. This person is from USA, whereas on he has got placed. Okay. and
yeah. How
and
much
if
the people for each batch and how many got the jobs?
Yes, good question, by the way. See, those, okay, sorry for this. Okay, those who are with me till the end of this course, they will
Okay,
get jobs. And yes, people have got jobs, good number of jobs. I'll be releasing all the stories one by one. Okay, don't worry.
mhm. Oh, okay.
Right? Okay, great. See
Yeah,
you in the
thank you.
class. And as yes, thanks a lot.
Definitely,
As
Praveen. I would love to join.
Yes, thanks a lot. Yeah. So
Thank you.
Azizul, if you are there, can you join the stream once? I'm very much happy to see you have joined again 6 batch. You were from second batch. Like last year, we have conducted second batch. You were part of that. Okay, that's good. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions before we uh, talk, or before we focusing too much on Splunk plus K8 issues? Definitely, Azizul. Tirupati is telling, sorry, I forgot to ask you whether you are covering Python. Yes, we are covering. Why are you asking that question? Please see the guys, all of you, please see the projects, guys, once. Okay, please see the projects and week wise syllabus, week 0, week 1, week 2, week 3. If you see Python real-time programming, chatbot, Node.js, Python programming, Java, somewhere Java also will be there. Java database Kubernetes project deployment, Java Spring Boot application integration with Splunk, right? And other projects are also there as part of your assignment. Clear? Yes. Any other questions? Prakar, I've joined. Looking forward for great start here. Great. Okay, good work. Thanks, Kamala. Okay, Anita, please come in live. Where is Anita? Anita, I have shared the stream link. Yes. Okay, guys. Niranjan, I'm still waiting for you to Himal. Okay, Himal is asking. Himal Singh. Okay, I'm 35 years old and working as a network engineer. Yes, Himal. See, when you are a network engineer, Again, I am telling, this is completely beginner friendly. If you are a network engineer, if you are a non-IT, IT, everyone can join. Just see this page, everyone can join. And if you don't believe whether a non-IT can join or not, go to this girl, Greta Grace, okay? And you see here a non-IT can also join. You can talk with this girl, you can search her in LinkedIn and you can talk, okay? Non-IT can also join. Clear? Freshers have also got job offers. If you see here, okay, Prashanti has got 15 LPA, joined Rackspace, 15.5 LPA. She was getting 5.8. She got 15 LPA and she had also 3 offers, right? Venkatesh has got offers from Align and Valtech and he's moving to Singapore, right? So this is that post. And yes, freshers, hi sir, I'm happy to tell that I got placed at junior DevOps engineer. Right at this moment, I would like to thank you for your positive energy and motivation. And EPAM 20 LPA, Visa 36 LPA, Mercedes Benz, and yes, so many people have joined. Yes, people have made most of it, guys. Okay, so that is all things are there. Freshers are also joined. Yes, Niranjan, what's your query? I'm waiting for that. Do you have any query to directly shoot at me? And sorry if you are not, can I supposed to talk? Yes, you can talk. I've given this now. Okay, sorry. I've given this. Where is that? Invite. Yeah, Niranjan, you can talk with me. So, guys, anyone still registering or interested to register? Yes, definitely, Suvarna. I'll be giving you my Naukri profile, InstaHire profile, which I have done. Yes, definitely. Okay, Rajita, I have talked right with you. Okay. Yes, Anita and everyone, please join the StreamYard link. Anita, join that StreamYard link quickly. Karine, you can join, and people on LinkedIn can also join. Okay, LinkedIn people, let me take you all here. Okay, anyways, 29 people are watching on LinkedIn. That's fine. StreamYard link and batch 6 link also I'm giving on the LinkedIn. If anyone is interested, they... Okay, great. Okay, who has joined? Vamsi is there. Okay. Okay, great. I'm working. Okay, Anita has joined. Anita, I've added you now.
Yeah, Praveen.
Yes, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good, Praveen.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, yeah. I registered. Yeah, I'm good, Praveen.
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead with your query.
Okay, again, I just muted here. So I'm having 5+ years experience in testing domain. I just register your course. I'm interested in DevOps things. So moreover, I have experience with cloud-based application testing. How it will be good for me, like how things will be in is an interact class or how it will be is a recorded class.
No, interactive live class. I don't
Okay.
believe in recording because recording, even I bought some of the courses when I was doing job search. Recording, what happens, right? We sit for 30 minutes and we get distracted. Live means you'll be continuously listening to me for 3 hours. And if any issues, we have some time slot for you talking with me, I talking with you, and we have some community managers for the feed section where they will be helping you, guiding you with any issue, right? So I believe on live. It's not recorded. Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, like, so you are providing Python and shell scripting and everything you are teaching in that class?
Yes. You see this project. Are you seeing my screen? Jenkins
Uh,
CICD pipeline, shared library, Docker Advanced, Kubernetes 3-tier architecture, chatbot, shell scripting, real-time scenarios, Kubernetes cluster monitoring with RBAC, and along with that, troubleshooting documents, your project roles and responsibility documents, all those things. Resume template, interview questions, mock interviews. Right?
okay. Yeah.
Great.
Okay.
Okay, Anita, see you in the class. Okay?
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
No problem. Bye. Yeah, Azizul, how are you?
Hi, good. Very good morning, Praveen. At last, I could see you also here.
Yeah.
And actually, in the morning time here at Ohio, but
Yes.
I could not restrain myself to talk with you because this batch is really 14 projects, and mostly I like the hands-on with you. And when I was in the batch batch 2, I was feeling like I was in the stand up. Okay. So from you, especially the real time, the experience you always sharing. So that's
Yes,
the very very big thing, because you know that these items are available in lots of videos like that, lots of lectures. But in the interview, if the mentor not saying that production level or anything, the issues, the real time issues,
correct.
that's a very very big thing. That I'm giving one example. You taught the AWS just EC2 how to connect with like that, with PPC. Just the real time examples you, you are giving here. And
Yes,
in your video, still have the access of the video of batch 2. Sometimes
yes,
I see uh, mm, almost 80% or 90% you saying from the your experience. That is
yes,
very 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 pinpoint for the interview.
yes,
Because interviewer, you don't know which question is coming. If anyone can explain what I am doing in the project, interviewer is amazed,
yes,
honestly.
correct.
So after having the session with you at batch 2, also my position also up in the I'm working in the AT&T here. So
Oh, okay.
I got some raise also. Okay,
Nice, nice, nice,
because I got the lead position here now.
nice,
But
nice.
honestly, when I saw the best 6, most of the things I know, but I like your interaction and your real time experience. Also, I saw
Yes,
something added in the Splunk. Also, you added the Kubernetes like that.
yes.
So I'm really excited, honestly.
Surely. And
You can remember. I did not miss your any classes.
correct. I remember. I remember that. I
Almost
remember. And as
5 minutes ago, I was waiting. Okay.
yes. And one more thing, Azizul, to be honest, I
Yeah,
cracked 10 offers in last 2 months. Those questions also I'll be sharing in this batch, right? So in
must
your
be.
batch, you would be seeing phase one questions. Now I made phase one. Now, because I again cracked 10 offers like Rubrik, your Zeta, right? And Rubrik is there in USA also, right? Rubrik, Zeta,
Yeah,
Adobe, right? So all those phase two interview questions with coding questions. Like every person is asking coding now, like Python coding. They will ask like oops concepts. So little bit I also want to upgrade with everyone. So I just upgraded those things also. So I just now trying to give what interviewers are expecting. That is why I cracked those. Okay.
and
So you will get
honestly, thank you and sorry to interrupt you.
no.
And honestly, the quality gate. So
Yes.
before you're with you, I was not adapted like that. You just
Mhm.
focus the quality gate, the form XML, then how to read the problems there, and how to find out that you know this is the main thing. From the real experience, the what kinds of issues are coming in the quality gate or like that. The interviewer likes that.
Yes.
You
True.
don't need. You don't. I'm just sharing with the fresher. No need to explain everything. Asking just learn whatever. Praveen, I like to ask you like Praveen is okay. Praveen.
Yes. Yes. Please go ahead. Please
Okay,
go ahead.
okay,
That's
good. Thank you. So, whatever just Probin saying, please, I just request to all the freshers, forget your past experience, 14 years like that. My experience is 8 years now, but I'm competing and I'm bidding in my stand up who are 16 or 18 years. I'm beating them honestly. So this is not the years. This is the how much you are doing the hands on man. So please follow blindly, forget everything, and just keep this 2 months only for Probin. Honestly, and please come 5 minutes earlier. Okay, and please ask him. lots of question. He's just answering, man. I like your answering. Okay, you are not bothered. That's very good thing. Very good thing. Very layman question. You are answering. You are not bothered. That's the biggest thing from a mentor, honestly. And
Thanks
for
a lot.
fresher, I'm asking that please follow blindly these 2 months and from A to Z. Just point out from your hands-on paper. I took this paper for hands-on province said that to write. I wrote every classes myself, which one is new. Honestly, this if you write like that, this is I think 60 to 70% in your job interview is coming.
Yes.
You must crack whoever. My background is not IT. My background is English literature. then I started slowly like that.
Good.
So
Good, Ashish.
come to the hands-on and write your problems, everything, and these 2 months you will be the fresher will be in really problem. You will be see the no, I don't need to continue. No, I'm not this guy. I cannot crack it. No, please write, whatever you can grab, please write. And after that 2 months, um, in judging your level, you can feel.
Correct.
I now actually last 1 month I was feeling that, oh my goodness, quality gauge was very important. Like that is coming from POM XML. Oh my goodness. So the SCM to the production, the integration, this is the main thing. This is the main thing. And DevOps and DevSecOps actually is really same thing. Just the security is just adding the quality gate or tree like that. Same thing. Just the SCM to production that does know how to do, and lots of issues from the production. And I have a request for Praveen.
Yes.
Please focus some issues in the production, especially
Sure. Definitely.
ETS,
This
and
time.
and how to do the monitoring in the Splunk. Okay.
Yes.
Actually, I
Monitoring
just
Splunk we are
woke
doing.
up.
We are
Um,
having monitoring in Splunk. I have
yeah,
already added.
thank you so. Thanks for your time. Okay, I'm still not fit for speaking. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Ashish. Okay.
I was missing you honestly. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot. Take care, huh? Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, thanks a lot. So that was Azizul. Okay, Rajni, I have added you in this in the meeting. If you want to have and ask any questions, you can ask. Unmute yourself. Go ahead. Yeah.
Hi Praveen. Actually, no, like I want to introduce myself. Really like I got to know about you recently. I really impressed with your classes and are actually in YouTube and in LinkedIn. So I thought of joining your class. So first, let me introduce myself. I'm having 11 years of experience, but
Yes.
no, like for my experience, I'm getting very less. I'm getting 13.5 lakh only. So thing is that I started my career in Nokia and at IKEA consultancy. I started my career with 11,000 only per month actually. So like never I got more than 30% hike actually, like and also I have done one more mistake. I stayed in each and every company 3 years. So my parents know, like basically I'm from village, like from South India. So my parents like they were concerned about my security, like safety
Correct.
purpose actually they asked me to stay in one place. So
Okay.
I didn't switch frequently. It was my mistake. And the second thing also, I was not able to negotiate the salary. Even though I will be clearing with the interview technical rounds, I was not able to negotiate the salary. So this was my problem. So for my experience, this is very less. And about my work experience, like I was into telecom networking. So
Okay.
like basically what I was doing, I was into like deployment of 4G 5G nodes. Like I have worked in Nokia and Ericsson, and currently I'm working in Capgemini, which is the client is Nokia actually now. So two companies, 11 years experience. When I was working in Nokia, like there, like we were using the Nokia platform only.
Correct. Nokia has a
CPAM,
separate platform.
CPs and all actually,
Yes.
which is based on OpenStack, VMware,
Yes,
Those
yes.
kind of stuff we have used for the deployment purpose. And
Correct.
also we used to do feature testing and all. Actually, I was not completely into DevOps, but I have worked on cloud technologies. Like it was not a bare metal server by the time I joined. Actually, like all the stuff migrated to cloud. So I was
Okay.
knowing the cloud stuff and all. Actually, I have worked in VM virtualization concept and all. I was knowing VM stuff also. I have worked on, and now currently I'm doing deployment based on this one Kubernetes also. Like,
Okay.
but
One second,
the
Rashmi.
team,
No, I got
uh,
it. See, I got it.
yeah,
See,
yeah,
now only issue what I am seeing is your package is low. According to
yeah,
11
yeah.
years, if see, trust me, I should not tell this open, but yeah, for a Capgemini 11 years, your package is low. Okay.
Yeah,
For if you are coming in Walmart, your package is somewhere. I told you already, right? I think some girl has talked with me for 12 years, right? So that is what I think the first major thing what we have to focus is how to increase our package. You are working in all the things. You know Kubernetes virtualization, you know deployments, how it happens, and you are very well about that. And see, uh,
but
being
no,
in
no, no. Like I'm not into Deva stuff actually. I have to get to know about these stuffs and all, right?
correct.
I know
So
the
that's what
basic
I'm coming.
stuff of Jenkins and SonarQube, whatever you have explained over class. No, I know the basics, but I'm not
Correct.
expert in that actually. I wanted to
See,
learn
that's what I'm
also.
telling. So,
Okay,
Rajni,
Praveen.
that's
Yeah.
what I'm telling.
Sorry to
So,
interrupt you. Yeah, yeah,
no, no. So, because others are also there, right? So, what I'm
yeah,
telling
yeah,
Rajni is, right?
yeah.
See, under me, I always set a target for every batch. Okay. To be very
Okay,
honest, it all
okay,
started last year with 10, 12, 15. And if you see batch 4.0 with 36 LPA, batch 5.0 with 40 plus LPA, people are getting. I'm not telling any lie. And one more thing.
okay,
So, what your concern is, you don't know into depth, but you know on a high level. So, for depth only, we have the 6.0, where I will be teaching all the things. And I'm a person where I prove myself, then I teach to students. So, you see, I cracked Walmart, I started teaching. Okay. Now I
Will
left
you
Walmart.
help us? Will you help us preparing resume also?
Yes, I will share my Naukri portal. I will share my resume. I will share my projects of Walmart. Everything. Like I
Okay,
always put what I have the 100% to the students. So I think that should be best. And you will always get my phase two interview questions, which I have cracked in the last 2 months. Right. That also
okay,
you will get. Yes. So
okay,
definitely it's going to be a good thing. Yeah.
okay. Like after joining the batch, no, like a center of point. Like how can I contact you if I am having any doubts and all? Like how
Correct.
to
We have
contact
doubts
you?
clearing session, right, Rajni?
Now
Ranjini.
also
Okay.
waiting for you to connect.
Correct. So this is a stream, right? That is a class. So there is a much difference. We have a doubts clearing session dedicatedly for students, okay, where only doubts are
Okay.
correct, right? So you see the course, everything is there, correct? So I want to see you in the class, okay?
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you so much, Praveen.
Thanks a
And
lot,
I
Raj.
have received the mail, no, like session one, session two, session three, like
Correct,
that. By using
correct.
those links, I need to join that,
Yes,
join the
exactly,
sessions, right?
exactly,
Okay, okay.
exactly.
Others are also waiting. I have to let them talk. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
no
Yeah,
problem.
bye,
Thank you.
bye.
Okay, bye bye. So that was, I think everyone wanted to talk on this day. So I think I have talked with many of the people. And again, if anyone wants to enroll or anyone wants to talk with your friends or anyone wants to ask something, right? You can always do that, right? You can always talk with all the students who have got placed by going into the success stories. Talk with the students directly. Go here, search in the LinkedIn any one name, talk with them, connect with them, ask them the queries, anything you do. Okay. Apart from that, if you want to be with me for the next like March, okay, till that time, if you want to be with me, like December anyways you are with me, January, February and March, if you want to be with me, like this is like continuous journey we will be having for the next few months. So I want you all to be like with a job, okay? That is our target. And what you need in the interview, as Azizul said, that only we will focus, not all the things, right? And it's a complete beginner friendly, non-IT, IT support, admin, non-admin, storage admins, everyone can join. And purely it's based on your projects. I do project in every session. That's how we are covering 14 plus projects. Clear? Right. So see you all Surya, see, I don't have energy now to take a top mid call with you, right? So I will be definitely doing your canceling your request on top mid as of now, right? Because back-to-back sessions, morning, evening, then tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening, again I have to teach, right? So top mid as of now, taking top mid is a little bit difficult, and yes, have to roll out this documents to the Telegram again, do some things, right? So I hope you understand. So top mid, we will be canceling that. Okay, sorry for that, Surya. I think this is the first time I'm doing that. Okay, it's a tight situation. I hope you understand. Okay, okay, thank you all for joining. If anyone wants to still be the part of it, you always have the time. And yes, after this class, you can put your messages after the live stream on the YouTube video. Okay, so see you all tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's project class we'll be doing from scratch. Okay, so definitely come back with more josh, more energy, and we'll be completing tomorrow the project from scratch. I'll be doing the project, and you can keep that project in your resume. Clear? Okay, see you all in tomorrow's class. Until then, take care. I guess I'm from Andhra, Ramesh. Okay, I'm from Andhra. Clear? Okay, great. Until then, take care. Stay safe. This is Singham signing off, and see you all in tomorrow's class. Yes. If anyone wants to enroll, you all can take one last time this link, right, and go over the projects. Take 2 to 3 minutes of time, go over the projects, and come back. If once the registrations are full, or once the slot for this 4250 is full, we'll be again changing the cost. Okay. Thank you all for joining. Take care. Bye. Okay. Yes. Bye.